proceeding. That
Who
is
is claiming?
the victim, that informant in that criminal proceeding, my lord. That is not permissible under law, my lord.
I didn't understand.
My lord, the
You are
present
the husband.
not a husband, is the accused.
You are the accused.
Accused.
Kiye se aap?
Accused under section 493.
Accused kiye apan? Accused with kon relation?
No relation there is.
Kemti ala case study.
My lord, the case is that the victim, the accused deceived the informant and believe her as legally married wife and cohabited with her. That is why she
You are
has
the accused. You cohabited with the informant.
with the informant, and she has lodged a affair, which was registered under section 493 and other allied offences.
That is
Charge sheet filed, charge framed. After 3 years of that initiation of a criminal proceeding,
फिर क्यों उड़ाई लगी?
my lord,
फिर नॉन को उड़ाईला?
no, say victim, say informant.
DV Act.
DV Act रे file.
तो आपनो marriage है
No marriage. That is deceit.
Marriage end तक नहीं आला.
She has claiming that she has sworn an affidavit to believe her as legal married wife.
अपन बाहर दिले.
No marriage. There is no.
मर के नहीं जानी अपन बाहर दिले ना.
मतलब
थोड़ी लुची बाहर थे को मंदिर.
if it is a proceeding under section 498A, then parallel proceeding can be proceeding. But since it is a offense under section 493, which is a lesser degree than 376, and he cannot be prosecuted in both criminal and civil consequences.
Civil code.
DV proceeding is quasi civil in nature, and she has claiming protection under the Domestic Violence Act.
You are together for some time.
No, my lord.
Living together.
Living together, she claimed that.
केते दिन आपण बेंदी सी क्लेम फ्लेम को ना दी केते दिन मिसिक रहि दिले कोन
से कहउछंती जे 2 मास
आपण केते मास रहि दिले कोन
नहीं एथरे
से कहउतले कोन छा आपण केते मास रहि
नहीं ये रही नहंती जन
छ कथा
एलिगेशन दा देखो
पूरा मुछ
लिव इन रिलेशनशिप मध्ये से
the petitioner challenges the order dated 18 to 2000 कोड चैलेंज करछथि
annexure 1 series.
The petitioner has filed the present criminal revision challenging the legality of the impugned judgment passed by the Rutas Vinikar. देखो ना
Learned additional session judge Katak, my lord.
ना कहीं लिखो
No, ना लिखाने रे टिके printing mistake है.
ना second additional session judge Katak लिख दे.
My lord.
I am writing the name of the judge on 7/8/2023 in criminal appeal number 33 of 2019 by dismissing the appeal and confirm the impugned order dated 18 to 2019 passed in DB Miscellaneous case number 54 of 2017 by the learned SGM. So, what is the order? Impugned order? What is the
Order annexure 1 series, my lord, page 17.
What is it? Conclusion कौन?
Dismiss कले appeal टाको confirming the.
नहीं कौन reason कौन देले?
Reason कले that after final adjudication this issue can be decided.
Naturally, right. बाहागर हेची न हेची आपण live in थिले न
थिले my submission is the definition of domestic violence, domestic relationship is
no.
my lord, it will require examination. My lord, kindly appreciate.
That's why required examination. That's why you have to face trial.
My lord, this honorable court kindly examine this issue. It's a clear question of law, my lord. Clear question of law in view of the provision of the act, my lord. If I will not.
This is a case straight away. It is a case that I would say cries for trial.
My lord, if your lordship examine the statute and the definition, I am not coming under the provision of a DV.
Day in and day out, I am examining the statutes.
My lord, kindly entertain and it requires examination.
There are some element of marriage
or
living is there.
No, my lord.
Act will attract.
My lord, since offense under section 493 is
that may be the offense, sir. That doesn't preclude you from committing another offense, does it? No.
There is no subsequent development. In the 2014, she has lost an affair which is continuing after 3 years. She claims legal married wife. When he disputed the status in the initially, how
okay, well, let's issue notice.
Issue
notice. Opposite party. Opposite party is only this Cuttack case.
Yes.
ठीक है. She noticed by registered proceeding. File the budget within 3 working days from today. Place the matter on 14. 14.
My lord. Till then, my lord, the further proceeding of a DP case, my lord. DP case to further proceed karibe and till it their
Till
appearance.
the next.
Till her
next
appearance.
listing that the further proceeding. Okay, next.
Obliged.
Item 2,
May I please, Mr. Lordship? The petitioner challenges the legality of the order dated 25/9/2023, rejecting the discharge petition under section 227 CRPC, my lord.
What is the offense you have committed?
376 and 506, my lord.
376.
My lord. After 5 years of the occurrence, my lord, FIR has been lodged, and both
After
the,
5 years of the.
my lord, that is the, after 5 years of,
गड़बड़ है. 5 years for a
when the
inordinately delay and can't be like that.
Your lordship have in 2017, and the occurrence has been 18/5/2017, and the FIR lost on my lord 18/9.
Lord Constitutional petition submit that. So the Lord Constitutional challenges the dated judgment dated 31/10/2023 passed by the learned Court of Third Additional Session Judge Barampur, Ganjam in criminal appeal number 13 of 2023,
My lord,
referred by the present opposite party. I don't know.
no, it is
What
my
about
lord. Item 2, my lord.
I don't know.
Criminal revision 544 of
It is two
23.
da? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Giri Palkia.
My lord.
No.
Order dated 25/9/2020.
Petitioner challenge the revision petition, the order dated 25/9 of 2023 passed by the learned session judge Ragada in city case number 98 of 2022, arising out of Chandili PS case number 149 of dated 18/9/2022. The petitioner filed the petitioner filed the petition under section 227 of CRPC to discharge him from the charges against him by the prosecution on the offense alleged under section 376(1), 372 and 506 IPC Act, and the learned court below rejected the same. The petitioner prefers the criminal revision petition. The learned session judge Ragada posted it for framing up charges on the date of petitioner filed the application only on the ground that acquisition is groundless and there is no sufficient material to connect the present petitioner in the alleged participation of the crime. That guys, the petitioner further submit that the FIR was lodged after 5 years of the occurrence, which is definitely an afterthought. Issue notice. In such view, the matter let notice be issued to opposite party number. Opposite party के party को नहीं देखो भाई. Victim को party को लेनी.
Victim I will make the party. My lord.
Sir, କରିବା କଥା après I will make the party କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
I will.
When you are filing, you should know that the victim should be made a party. Not victim, sorry, survivor.
My lord.
Survivor should be made a party. You file an application.
My lord.
ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା କଣ ପାଇଁ
My lord, I will imply it as a party.
No, imply obligation.
My lord, today I will
application, application. ଆଉ
application.
ହାତରେ ଲେଖା ଲେଖା ନାହିଁ.
I will file today, my lord.
Application. ଆଜି ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ. ଲଗାଅ. ଏ କଥା ସବୁ ବାକି story କରିଦିଅ. The land council the petitioner 3 days time to implead the opposite party. Sorry, implead the survivor as impleaded party. Respondent. Accordingly, 3 working days are granted for the petitioner to file the implement application. This is the matter on 5th.
My lord.
Next.
item
Next.
number 3,
3.
May I please, your lordship? It's a reversing judgment, my lord.
What
Reversing judgment, my lord. The offense alleged against me is 354.
is the reversing?
Yes, a trial court acquitted me. I am the accused. Trial court acquitted me, and the lower appellate court, third ADJ Barampur, convicted me for 1 year. Here, the case of the victim is that He is working in a
अरे
nationalized bank.
ସେ ସାମ୍ନାରେ କଣ ଚେୟାର ଫେୟାର ପଡିଛି କି ସେଠି?
ଏପଟ side ଟା କରିବି।
ହଁ?
ଏଇ side ଟା କରିବି।
ସାଇଡରେ ବସିବା ପାଇଁ ଜାଗା ଅଛି ସେଠି? ସବୁ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ
Accused is IPC 354 and 341, and the learned trial court, after examining the issue and
what is the story?
my lord, yes, the victim is working in a nationalized bank, Bank of Baroda at
Hmm.
Berhampur.
କୋଉଠି?
Berhampur,
ବରହମପୁର।
again.
Hmm.
The accused is the customer, my lord, a 64 years old man, and as per the
You
affair,
are for the accused.
yes, your lord, I am for the accused. As per the affair story, the accused went and since the informant was absent on the last day, he patted on her back and said, "तू काली कहीं आसिनथुलु?" That ओडिया रे लिखा जी in affair रे, "काली कहीं आसिनथुलु मोर statement
କାଉଣ୍ଟର
print
ସେପଟେ
ପାଇଲେ."
ବସିଥିବ ପାଟାଟ ଅନ୍ ଦ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କେମିତି କଲା?
My lord,
ସେ ତ ବସିଥିବ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ସେପଟେ ବସିଥିବ ଇଏ ସେ
my lord,
ଭିତରକୁ
10:30 when the
ଭିତରକୁ ମାରି
bank,
ଦେଇଥିଲା ବୁଢା।
when the bank started operating,
Hmm.
when the victim came and in the door itself.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
And,
ଡୋର
yes, yes,
ପଶିଲା ବେଳେ
yes,
ପଶିଲା ବେଳେ
possible.
Okay.
He asked, why you were absent yesterday? I could not get my passbook printed.
Hmm.
That she avoiding the affair, that all the staffs has seen the affair, seen the occurrence, and all. Thereafter, the affair was lost 3 days after. The trial court observed that all the witnesses, PWs, prosecution, they did not support the case of the victim, my lord. She
So,
said,
there are the witnesses statement have been recorded, 161 statement.
yes, your lordship.
Huh?
Yes, your lordship. They are recorded.
What
And
is the
they say
allegation?
that
Allegation,
this
what
is
କଣ
hearsay.
allegation ଟା କଣ?
He patted on the back and said,
That's all, patting
"That's
on
all,
the
my lord.
back.
That's my lord.
That's all.
That's all, my lord."
Okay. Hmm?
Fist blow in the affair, fist blow
Fist
in the
blow
trial
କାହିଁକି
court. It was, my lord.
କାଇଁ ଝିଅ ପିଲାଟେ ଫିସ୍ ବୁକ୍ କାଇଁ ଦେବ? ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଆଉଟ ଅଫ
Yes, 64 years old man, my lord. At the time of occurrence in 2016, my lord. And the trial court said that there is delay in lodging the affair, no evidence.
what does the person do? This person ଲୋକ କଣ କରେ?
A businessman ଗୋଟେ ସେଇ complex ରେ, there is a complex in which bank is also situated and this person's shop is also there.
Oh, okay.
The ground floor.
They must be knowing each other. Right?
My lord, for a long time, my lord. That
So,
is the
that's the only thing.
that's the only thing, my lord.
And trial court says you have to face
Trial
that.
court says your lordship kindly looks at page.
You have been
11.
convicted.
Yes, convicted.
Convicted? On what basis?
Trial court acquitted, the appellate court convicted. On
କାଇଁ
what
appellate
basis
court
that-
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ଅଧିକ law ଧରି ପଡିଲା?
My lord, that the finding is at page 60, paragraph number 11. The appellate court said, since she is a young lady, working lady, and her evidence is to be should not be discarded, and she is truthful one.
ବାକି ଯୋଉ ଯଦି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ଅଛି ମାନେ open ଜାଗା ହେଇଥିବ,
Yes, your
not
lordship.
in the secluded
All
place
the
ତ
bank
ନଥିବ.
employees stated that they have heard the incident from her only. So
They have nobody has seen.
nobody has seen, my lord.
But
And at present, that old man.
so
is
on what
30.
basis? I'm saying on what basis
Well.
he has been convicted?
My
What is the
lord, yes,
basis?
I'm reading that operative portion, my lord.
Read that person.
Page 60. Page 60, paragraph number 11, my lord. That is the sole basis. I'm reading it out, my lord. Hence, in view of the above, it is found that the sole victim cum informant, who is a young, respected girl and a bank employee of the office cadre of a nationalized government sector bank, is a truthful and reliable witness who has tendered cogent concrete evidence which shows the accused has dealt 2 blows on her back inside the bank premises during the office hours, where the staffs of the bank were present nearby. That has been already dealt in the evidence.
Staff present ଥିଲେ କେହି ଦେଖିଲେନି?
କେହି ଦେଖିଲେନି,
ଦେଖିଲେ।
my lord. And although no other occurrence witness, he has also recorded, although no other occurrence witnesses have adduced any evidence for witnessing the incident, and all the independent witnesses deposed that they have not seen the occurrence and claimed themselves to be post-occurrence and hearsay
I
witness.
think it is nearby the old bus stand area. The bank is there. Bank of Baroda.
Yes, I think my
That is a again crowded area. Every time that bank branch has a lot of crowd.
my lord, and as
Whenever
per
you go
the
to branch, a lot of crowd.
it has
How
been
can this? Nobody has seen it.
seen. Exactly, my lord. That is
It's not a place. The bank is not situated in a place
isolated
where
area.
there is
It's not an
isolated space.
isolated
Is not
area.
there.
It's a crowded place, my lord.
Let's see. The grievance against the present petitioner is that he outraged the modesty of the informant along with wrongful restraint by the accused, which is admittedly an offense against a woman. It is not a dispute, it is not disputed that the informant is a young officer, a young lady officer, aged about 37 years, serving in a nationalized bank, and the accused is an old man of 64 years, a business entrepreneur. साढ़े दुकानें थी वो, पक्का,
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes.
The workplace of both the accused and the victim runs in the same building complex. Because in Berhampur, there's this surname has a lot of sari shops. Not this,
Sir,
it
yes.
may not be.
The Marwadi
Lot
people
of,
that, yes.
I know that. So victim runs in the same building complex. Admittedly, both of them known to each other. The accused is a regular customer as well as the victim's bank. Victim survivors bank and well acquainted with other staff of the bank. When the matter stood thus, the informant lodged the FIR alleging that the accused dealt 2 slap blows in the presence of the bank staffs, due to which she could not concentrate on her works and her prestige was hampered. That I don't dispute. It is slapping. कौन କହିଥିବ ସେ ଏଇଟା କରନେ ଏଇଟା procedure କରନେ କିଛି ଲୋକ ଥାନ୍ତି ଏ ବାଡି ଦେଇଥିବ ଏ ବି ହେଇଥିବ ଆଉ ବାକି ମାନେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ କହୁନଥିବେ ଲୋକାଲି ସେମାନେ ଲୋକାଲ ଲୋକଟା ସିଏ କାଳେ ତାକୁ କଣ କରିବେ ସେ ମାନେ ବାହାରୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ମାନେ ପ୍ରାୟ ପୋଷ୍ଟିଂ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଜି କାଲି କୋଉଠିକି ପଳେଇବେ why should they even say
My lord,
against
yes, yes.
against that old man?
I bow down, my lord.
So that is also that could
That
be the
cannot be
possibility.
ruled out,
So
yes.
I don't dispute that whatever the lady says is also wrong.
My lord.
So you are also not blame, your blameworthiness is not free.
But the housing structure is mentioned also.
According to the said affair, she is a sole victim, come eyewitness in this case. She has examined as she has been examined at PW1, fully corroborated the prosecution case and substantiated the FIR by deposing that on 2/2/2016 at about 10 a.m. while she was about to attend her seat at her bank. The accused was standing inside the staff cabin and asked her why she was not present yesterday, for which he could not get the point out of the statement, and thereafter gave 2 fist blow on her back, which shocked her, for which she was mentally disturbed and did not consider. Sir, आप तो बदमाश है ही लग रहा है इतना आसान नहीं है आप जितना इनोसेंट है उतना इनोसेंट है नहीं did not consider on her work. One office staff, Vibhu Prasad Das, present there, who told the accused about the assault. The victim informed the matter to joint manager. As he did not take any step, the victim reported the matter to the chief manager and the joint manager नहीं ना थी बड़ा customer टा ही थी वो बड़ा customer टा बड़ा करने चली जाओ बैंक रू ना ये नहीं ना थी वो किसी action. Unfortunate incident. So hence the considering these facts and circumstances, on the background of these facts and circumstances, the trial court, on what basis the first court?
Yes, the trial court acquitted that there is no evidence of outraging the modesty.
Evidence
there
is मूर्ख और evidence is more evidence सब लोग थी वो
My
माना
lord, no one deposed. No one deposed.
statement of the girl is sufficient.
Yes.
What do outraging modesty का कि open market रे की करियो एटा गुंडा सिनेमा मन को हुए most of next
Obliging.
Item 4.
My lord, one more IA is there to stay realization of that fine amount.
okay
842.
admit next
Obliging.
Item 42. Similar matter was fixed on 4/12/2023. This matter may kind
on 12
12.
okay
4/12.
4/12 okay don't consider that it's 77 4/12 let the matter be discussed on 4/12 next
Item number 5.
along with all the matter
My lord, sir. My lord, it is a matter relating. My lord, it is a
के
matter.
distance से पहले उसको बोला
My lord, it is a matter relating to the A grant for accidental insurance to the petitioner,
Accidental insurance, what is that?
my lord.
Item 5, no?
Right.
5, sir?
Okay.
What is accidental insurance?
My lord, husband of the petitioner died on a road accident, who was a Kisan credit card holder. As per the,
So you are traveling the vehicle or driving or what? What are you doing?
my lord,
That sorry, the husband, petitioner husband.
petitioner husband was cycling on the road.
Oh, cycling. Okay. And some the truck, bus, what?
Another cycle was
Cycle? Agode
Cy-
cycle.
my lord,
Agode cycle dhaka.
my lord,
Cycle dhaka mari jana.
my lord. Final report police just state करना.
Agode cycle ko dhaka dena.
ରାତିରେ ପଡିକି ମରିଯାଇଛି.
ଅଦା ପିଇ ଦେଇଥିବା କୋଉଠି ପଡିକି ମରିଯାଇଥିବ। ସାଇକେଲ ସାଇକେଲ ଆମେ ଏତେ ଚଲଉଛୁ। ମୁଁ ତ ସକାଳୁ ଡେଲି କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ
My lord, ଏଟା ଦୁଃଖାପଲ୍ଲୀ
ସେ ପଲ୍ଲୀରେ
ଖଣ୍ଡପଡା,
ସେ
ନୟାଗଡ଼।
ମଦ ଦୋକାନ ପାଖରେ Annex 3
page number 37, paragraph 3.
read it.
The benefits under the scheme are as under: first, death due to accident within 12 months of the accident caused by outward
Scheme will
violent
cover the KCC holder against death or permanent disability resulting from accidents caused by external violent visible means and occurring within the geographical jurisdiction of India. Okay. So you are entitled.
my lord.
So FIR college.
My lord.
FIR
Already police has submitted the final report.
कौन लिखला?
ସାଇକେଲ ଧକ୍କା ହେଇକି ପଡିକି ମରିଛି.
हाँ?
ସାଇକେଲ ଧକ୍କାରେ ପଡିକି ମରିଛି ବୋଲି ଲେଖିବେ.
साइकिल तो कर। हाँ मरिया थिला 40 किलो में मरि गली। हाथ झुकी भी मरि गली। So you केते टका मिल बेटा?
50,000 ଟଙ୍କା.
50,000. Okay. Like the petitioner, you have approached the authority.
My lord.
Who?
Annexure 4, my lord. There is also a
Format. There is a format. You have given this format.
My lord,
Before whom? काको देले एटा?
এটা secretary NDCCB ନୟାଗଡ଼ district cooperative.
सेंट्रल कोऑपरेटिव बैंक।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
एठी अकाउंट थिला आपन। जो बैंक रे
My
अकाउंट
lord.
सेठू
My lord.
से माने देबे। कोन हला
I
तापर?
have also
10
made
5
a
2019 नु देले नै जाहि नी।
my lord.
हां?
Still
आपण एटा
pending.
देइछन पक्का?
My lord. Under Annexure 5, I have also a representation to the collector in this matter.
आपण देइछन बोली कोन प्रूफ टे देखांतु?
My lord, last page, 47 page. Receipt, postal receipt.
ये रिसीट
It
करती।
is not visible, my lord. बहुत दिन receipt टा.
You take instruction, mister. 2019 रे कोन
Someone he collect this concern.
Yeah, collector also has to take this notice. The petitioner is a Kishan credit card holder which entitles him to get the benefit of death, the insurance covering the death. How the death benefit? As per the Kisan credit card, as per the guidelines issued by Kisan credit card, sorry, that is enshrined in Kisan credit card, the petitioner is eligible to receive the the said benefit under the Kisan credit card scheme. However, he has approached the as the petitioner died in an accident while riding his bicycle. The petitioner immediately thereafter. When did you submit? After how many days you submit?
My lord, FIR was lodged on
No, I am asking you submitted your claim. Claim by केबे submit?
क्लेम ପାଇଁ submit କଲି
ଆଉ ତମେ ପଢିକି ଆସନି କି?
My lord,
front page
10
ରେ ଲେଖିବା କଥା,
5
front page ରେ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛ ଦେଖ?
10
front page ରେ
5
କାହିଁକି?
2019
ଦେଖ ସେ ଏମିତି ଟେକିଲ ଫାଇଲ ଟା ଆଉ front page ଏମିତି ଦେଖା ମତେ ଦେଖ ଦେଖ କାଇଁ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ନା
My lord,
ଗୋଟେ ପେନସିଲ ଗାରଟେ ପଡିନି ଏଟା ଅଛି ତମ ପାଖରେ ଏଟା ଯଦି ନାହିଁ ତମେ ଲୟର ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଫିଟ୍ ନୁହଁ नो ଏଟା ରଖିଛ କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ କୋଉଠି ଲଗେଇଛ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
My lord, fold କରିକି ରଖିଦେଇଛି
ଫୋଲ୍ଡ କରିକି ଏଟା ଲଗେଇଦବ ନା ଆଉ ଫୋଲ୍ଡ କରିଦବ
ପେଜ ଫୋଲ୍ଡିଂ
ଯଦି ଏଟା ବେଶୀ କଷ୍ଟଲି ହଉଛି ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା
My lord, ପେଜ ଫୋଲ୍ଡ କରି
ଏଟା ଅଛି ଛିଡିଦବ ଏମିତି ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଷ୍ଟେପଲ କରିଦବ ଏଟା ବି ଅଛି ଏମିତି ଖାଲି ସବୁ ଏଟା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଖାଲି 10-15 ପେଜ ଅଛି ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ପେଜ ରେ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ପେନସିଲ ରେ ହେଇଗଲା କୋଉ ଦିନ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା କୋଉ ଦିନ ଏଫଆଇଆର ହେଲା କୋଉ ଦିନ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲେମ ପାଇଁ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଲେ କୋଉ ଦିନ ରିପିଟେସନ ଦେଲେ ଏତିକି 4ଟା କି 5ଟା ଡେଟ୍ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ହବନି ପେଜ ୱିଥ ପେଜ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଗଲା ଏତିକି ତ କଥା ଏତିକି ବି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏଠି ଆସିକି ଏଠି ଏକ୍ଜାମ ଦେବୁ ଏଠି କପି କରିବୁ ଏଠି ସବୁ କରିବୁ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ତ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କପି ବି କରି ଜାଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଡୁ ଇଟ୍ ଏଟ୍ ହୋମ ଟିକେ ଘରେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ ନ ପଢିଲେ ଏମିତି ହବନି ସବୁ ଏମିତି ବାହାରିବେ yes
10-5
when did you apply
10-5 2019
when was the accident
accident was on my lord 28-1-2019
4 months where are you sleeping
my lord ଗାଁ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ଗୁଡା ସେ
ଗରିବ
ମୂର୍ଖ
ଲୋକ
ଲୋକ ଗୁଡା
ଏତେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ଗାଁ ସବୁ କ୍ଲେମ ଟା ଆଗ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ଯାଅ ଏବେ ଏବେ ଜାଣିଛ ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ବେଶୀ ଭିଡ ସହର ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଜାଣିଛ କଣ ପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଛତା ରୋଜତା ସ୍କିମ୍ ସବୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ସବୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହଉଛି ଆଉ ସେଇମାନେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଗାଁ ଲୋକମାନେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜିକାଲି କୋଉଠୁ ପଇସା ମିଳିବ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତି 4 ମାସ ଆମେ କୋଉଠି ଶୋଇଥିଲୁ anyway Lord Consider the petitioner has approached the bank on
10-5-2019
10/5/2019 and the said uh, the claim is yet to be settled by the bank and it's pending before the Niagara District Central Cooperative Bank. What's up? He has also approached the district collector Niagara on what date?
14-3-2023
2023 रे
my lord
2023 ventilating his grievance about the delay in settling the claim amount. When this said has also not been considered, he is constrained to approach this court. Accordingly, the state is directed to take instruction within 5 days from today, list the matter on 4th December. 4th December instruction. While 2019 एमतिया केस गुड़ा सब एमतिया पकड़ते हैं माने they don't bother about the villagers 50,000 is a big amount for a small poor person दौଛନ୍ତି ତ ଏତେ 19 ରୁ ପଡିଛି କାଇଁ ହେଉନି ତାଙ୍କର नहीं ଏଇ पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट ର କୋର୍ସ ତାଙ୍କର ନା କେସ୍ ସେ କ୍ଲାଇंट ର କେସ୍ ଆଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଜ ଦ ଲୟର ଓନ୍ଲି ଏଇ ଲୟର ର ହିଁ ଥାଉ ସେ କେସ୍ 19 ସେଥିରେ ହେଲା ତ 19 ରୁ अप्लाई करछि काई आसिलानी बैंक वाला बैंक भी नोटिस करो बैंक पर्सनल रिप्रेजेंट करो बैंक कौन ना को बैंक the president Niagara District Central Cooperative Bank shall be personally present through VC on 4th Rasul 4th just issue sign a notice bank 4 to early let it come on 7th then by registered for Rajpatan. You file that requisite today itself. Next.
Item number 6.
Related to LIC policy. Aji immediately file karandu. Today itself. Just now after
the husband of the informant lordship, the scribed LIC policy that is given Sarala lordship.
sorry.
Running page 8 page the lordship. Given Saral police mu kothil lordship. And my husband died on 8/10/2012.
Given Sarala policy.
Policy. Running page 8 lordship. After my claim application lordship, I got the sum assured.
6
Page 8 କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
8 page.
Page-
Annex 1.
Sir, page 8
Annex 1.
ସେ judgment ଟା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଏଠି।
Status report allo.
ହୁଁ?
Status report.
Sir, ଏଠି judgment ଟା ପରା।
Judgment lordship এটা Annex 2 এটা আমি page 9.
Page 8 ରେ okay ଏଟା start ଏଟା କୋଉଠି 8 ରେ ତ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ସେମିତି। 8 ରେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 8 ହିଁ ନାହିଁ page 9 page
9ଟା
7 ପରେ 9 ଅଛି।
ସେ କେସ୍ ସେ ଆସିବ ଆସିବ ଆମକୁ କହିଲେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ତାକୁ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 10 ମାସ
ଦେଖାଯାଉନି ସେଟା ମୋର ଏଥିରେ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲି ବାବୁ?
3/10/2023 ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଲେକ୍ଟର ସେ ଲେଟରଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସ ତାକୁ ଡାଟ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ପକେଇକି ଏବେ ଦଉଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ହଁ
ଏଟା ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ହଉଛି ବ୍ୟାଡ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ
ୟୁଆଇଡି ସେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି ଏମିତି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ତ ଦେଖା ଏମିତି ତ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲାରିଟି ଆପଣ ସେଥିରେ ନାହିଁ ସେ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି ଆପଣ ସେଥିରେ ପୁଣି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ବୋଲି କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
My lord, as per the instruction,
What instruction your client is given wrong କାଟ ସବୁ କିଛି କାହାକୁ apply କିଏ ଆରାମ ସେ ଯାଉ keep personal preference ସବୁ କରିବେ these people doesn't deserve sympathy ଆପଣ ଭଳିଆ ଲୋକ sympathy ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯାଉ ଆରାମ ସେ returnable on ଲେଖ ସିଧା 20th December ଆସ ଯା ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କଲା ଲୋକ ଇଏନି ଲେଖ ମାଷ୍ଟର କରିକି 10th he has repented before the collector only in the month of October 2023 now. That's hard.
lordship Annex
And you take instruction comfortably. Next. Yes.
Annex 8 is not available lordship.
Posted 20th December.
Sorry lordship page 8 is not
ଭୁଲଭାଲ କହିକିରି ଭାବେ ସିମ୍ପାଥି ଥରେ ଭୁଲ କଲେ ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଧରିବି ତାପରେ ତ ଦାଗ ଲାଗିଗଲା ମୁଁ ତାର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲେ ନା ଏଇ ଭୁଲ କହିବେ ବୋଲି ମୋର ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ରହିବ ଡାଉଟ କାଇଁ ଭୁଲ କହୁଛ ବୋଧେ ପଢିକିରି ଆସ ବିନା ପଢିକିରି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ କମ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଉ ସେଠି ଲେଖା ଦେଖାଯାଉନି ମୋର ଏଥିରେ ତ ବିଲକୁଲ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି କେବେ ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ତ କମ ସେ କମ ଠିକ ଠାକ କୁହନ୍ତୁ we take it that whatever law says it's true ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କହିବେ then automatically will doubt ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ମୁହଁକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ନା ଇଏ ଥରେ ଏମିତି ଠକିଥିଲା ବୋଲି କହିବି ଭାବିବି ନା ନାଇଁ ହଁ don't suppress like this they will create a wrong impression on you you have created a wrong impression I had a good impression about it now my impression is now just sunk to the depth next
lordship Annex 8 is not available original file lordship.
sorry
Annex 8 status report of the policy lordship. 8 page ରେ status report ଟା ମୁଁ Annex 1 report.
ସାର୍ କୋଉଠି ମୁଁ ପାଉନି କିଛି ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ଏଥିରେ ଆସୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଫାଇଲ ୟା ଭିତରେ କିଛି ତାରତମ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ
Annex 2 is the accident claim from the tribunal lordship. Railway tribunal judgment ଅଛି.
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯେ ଆପଣ you are saying something else
lordship. ଯେ
judgment I am not disputing we are saying something else
ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଆଉଥରେ replace କଲା ପରେ lordship let it come next week.
କଣ ରିପ୍ଲେସ କରିବେ
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଦେବି ପେପରଟା Annex 1
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ଆନେକ୍ସର 1 ନାହିଁ ରାଇଟ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଏଥିରେ ପେଜ ଦେଖିଲି 7 ପରେ ଆପଣ ସିଧା 9 ଅଛି 8 ପେଜ ଟା ନାହିଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ
ମୋର ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି
Land Council for petition 6 a week time to replace it to add the annexer 1 which is not available in the court file. Ravan Kortu. Kalapram Suni. You just do that after that. Look at this short that. Seventh. Next.
My pleasure, Lord.
Item 7.
My lord, similar matters were disposed of by the Honorable Acting Chief Justice.
क्या similar matter?
My lord, it is a
Matter क्या तो पता चले similar की dissimilar will decide.
On behalf of Mr. Pradhan, my lord, I am appointed to place the matter, my lord.
What is the
This is the
matter?
matter relating, my lord, the compensation of, my lord, rehabilitation, my lord, so from the sanctuary, my lord.
Huh?
Sanctuary, my lord. And
क्या ऐसे बता लेटी?
yes, my lord, that is why it was listed.
Let the matter be placed before the to place before the to assign it the applicant bench. Next.
Item 8.
8,
May please, your lordship. The grievance of the petition regarding norms of compliance of SSA compensation to the petitioner lordship. The father of the 5-year-old son who has been died in snake bite your lordship since 2019.
snake
Thereafter,
biting. Snake biting.
2019 your lordship. Snake bite your lordship. Thereafter, your lordship,
Who is the petitioner here?
father your lordship. Who is also
The son died.
son died.
What is
5
the
years
age of
6
the
months son. 5 years 6 months.
High Court. When did he die? I mean,
Uh,
when did he die?
19 your lordship.
2019.
My lords.
ଏତେ ଦିନ କଣ ହେଲା ଏତେ ଦିନ ଆସିଲେନି?
ତାପରେ ସେ କରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆନେକ୍ସ 2 ରେ ଦେଇଛି 20 ମସିହାରୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଅଛି ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
19
legal
ହେଲା 20 ରେ କାଇଁ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ 19 ରେ ଦେଲେନି? 19 କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
ଡେଥ୍ ଅଫ ଡେଥ୍ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 29/8/2019
ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ 20 ଯାଏ ଶୋଇଥିଲେ।
ଇନୋସେଣ୍ଟ ଭିଲେଜର ଲର୍ଡସିପ
Innocent villager ହଠାତ୍ କେମିତି
ତାପରେ ଜାଣିଲା ପରେ ସେ ଲିଗାଲ ଏଡ୍ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଯାଇକି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଥିଲା ଆନେକ୍ସ 2 ରେ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ପେଜ 18 କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ହାଭ୍ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ପାରା ଲିଗାଲ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର ଥ୍ରୁ ରେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କଲେକ୍ଟର
ଏଟା
ତହସିଲଦାରଙ୍କୁ
କଣ ହେଇଛି ୟାର ଡିସେବିଲିଟି ହେଇଛି?
ନାଇଁ ମରି ଯାଇଛି ପିଲା ମରି ଯାଇଛି
ଡିସେବିଲିଟି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କଣ
ସେଟା father disabled person and BPL holder lordship poor person
what disability?
certificate I have given para
What kind of disability, sir? Congenital shortening
anesthesia
of
lordship
left leg.
my lords leg lords BPL holder poor person lordship
Obviously ଯେ ଏଇଟା ଯେ ଅଛି କଣ ଧନୀ ଲୋକମାନେ ମାଗିବେ? You'll take it, sir. The petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite party in not considering the right of the petitioner for release of ex gratia compensation for death of his son under the provision of the Discharge Management Act 2005 and rules framed thereunder. The grievance of the petitioner is that the son of the petitioner, who was about 5 years 6 months of village Pita Mahal, Rayagada, died of snake biting on
29/8/2019
29/8/2019 at 11:45 p.m.
died in 3 3টা 15
Oh, sorry, he died at 3:15 p.m. Sorry, sir. At the,
11টা ବେଳେ admit ହେଲା
and you have all the documents you have given to them?
yes lordship
What are the documents?
the medical documents lordship
Death
it has
related.
been
So
provided under Act
it is
Act
opined that the doctor has opined that it is snake biting?
yes sir page 14 I have also annexed the report of the medical officer page 14 lordship
14.
my lords after the death immediately the family
For the petition also annex the opinion report of the medicine specialist of the hospital where he was admitted, and the said reports submit said report
para 2 lordship that is
said
neurotoxin
report-
snake bite poisoning
said report reflects that the death was due to snake biting, snake bite poisoning. Since the petitioner, since then the petitioner has approached the authority, the authority has not yet sanctioned the compensation. Hence he is constrained to approach this court. Lankas state to take instruction in the matter. Next. In that case, even delay you should not, the government should not strict on delay. The government should condone the delay. Because sometimes villagers, they don't know. Very often somebody will say, "Arey, in the middle, approach court," and that takes time. That sometimes it gets delayed. It's not dealt by educated people. That's why government should be slightly liberal with respect to delay in this kind of cases. Next.
lordship keeping
I'm fixing to 12.
mind
So in the meantime, you
Obliged.
এটা মুখ ন কইলে লিখি দেব রেজিস্ট্রেশন পোস্ট পাইলে within 3 আসলে next
Obliged.
Item number 9.
9
May it please, my lords. My lords, we are an NGO who are running a child care institution authorized by the state government. My lords, in the first round, we had come before this honorable court because they were not paying us the annual rent, and which is prescribed under the rules for them to pay that annual rent. We had come
government
be-
has to pay.
they have to pay the annual rent. And according to granting aid, if we are granted, we are a school covered, we are an institution covered under the granting aid. Therefore, they were supposed to allot us certain funds to take care of the children. So in the first round, they did not give us the rent. So we came before this honorable court. This honorable court ordered that the rent shall be given to them. But our application for renewal of license, it had left it on the authority to consider it. My lords, they paid the rent to us. Thereafter, we made an application. What the collector has done, he has now declined our registration. And
Renewal. Decline your renewal.
yes, my renewal license, he has declined it. But my lords, what they have done is, despite of declining our renewal license, they are still sending children to our care. And there are still children posted there. So
How
tomorrow,
many children are there?
there are 50 children right now there over there, my lords.
Which district?
My lords, Mayurbhanj district.
Which in the district headquarters or somewhere else?
No, my lords, in the institution, the child care institution, in our institution, there are 50
Where is it located?
It's located in Mayurbhanj, my lords.
मयूरभंज इतना बड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है भाई, कहाँ तो एक जगह होगा?
My lords, Baripada.
Baripada,
Baripada.
district headquarters.
So now what has happened is tomorrow our license expires. Now the children are with us, my lords. We are taking care of them until at least this order may be considered by them. We have also filed an
Right.
appeal also, and my lords may protect us in the meantime because all the children are still in our care. All the 50 children are in
Petitioner
our
has approached this court challenging the order dated 22/12/2022 passed by the opposite party, number 4. If they have passed in 2022, what are you doing?
My lords, in the meantime, we have filed an appeal also. We have
Who?
filed an appeal before them also to reconsider it. We have filed an appeal also before the authority.
No, I'm saying when they issued this notice,
Yes, my lords.
so you challenge this order.
My lords, this was pursuant to the High Court order. This order was passed. Pursuant to the High Court order, when we filed a representation on that consideration of the representation, this order was passed, my lords.
But I'm saying it was passed in 2022. Now we are going to have it in 2023.
My lords, in the meantime, we were making representations, we were making appeals, and in the meantime, they were also sending children in our care, which is at Annex 40 series, my lords. We can show that they had sent children.
22/12/2022 passed by the appeal part number 4, rejecting the application of the petitioner for reopening of the child care institution. And it is also submitted that the authorities have been sending the children to the child care home continuously, even if the OP number 4 is not in a mood to renew the institution, the license of the institution. He also challenges the inaction of the opposite party number 2 and 3 for not taking the action on appeal filed by the petitioner with respect to the reopening of the CCI and continuation of the license of the petition organization. Hence, he is constrained to approach this court by of the present writ petition. Non-consumer state to take notice. Who are the other parties? Union of India.
And the other are mostly state authorities.
Why Indian of India is party?
Because
Why the funding agency is not required? The implementing agency is
my
important,
lords, what
why?
they do is they fund the
Indian
state government and then the state government releases funds. So the state government had earlier said that we don't have the funds released by the Union of India.
Okay.
So therefore made the Union of India party.
Okay. So we issue notice to OP number 1, 2, 3.
And 4 is the collector, my lord. So who has passed the order?
1, 2, 3, 4. We notice with respect to OP number 1, What is your name? EP Behara. Waves of notice. And for OP number 2, 3, 4 and 6. With respect to OP number 4, 3, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 6. Mr. Mahapatra, waves of notice for the. Chairman District Child Welfare Committee,
My lord is also represented by the state.
OP number 5, no. You been it? Okay. 5 without. So Mr. Mahapatra waves of notice for OP number 2 to 6. Hala? Say the record, 2 to 6. List the matter on 6th December,
My lord, we are seeking,
7th December.
we are seeking protection because our license will expire tomorrow. And they might take action against us. We have 50 children in our care.
So
So
you filed.
we have filed in IA, my lords, for no
IA
coercive
number,
action.
right. In the meantime, the OP number 4 is directed not to take any coercive action against the petitioner during the pendency of the writ petition without the leave of the court. Hala?
Highly obliged, my lord.
Next,
Item 10,
10.
My lord, Met page lost. My lord, this is about the matter of engagement of Jogana Sahayaka. In the last occasion. your
What
lordship,
happened?
It's about after taking the petitioner was on leave on the UTI and severe fever ground. And your
You
lordship
have
had
taken
direct-
instruction?
Collector. Regarding the city recovery matter since October 2022. And the representation of the petitioner already been disposed of since month of May, madam.
Oh.
But madam, if grievance is that annex of traffic. Annex of traffic is direct harassment issue to the collector to dispose of the representation. His representation was already disposed of since May.
केबे ଦେଇଥିଲେ? केबे ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
17/10/2022
10 ର କଲା ଆମେ ମେନ୍ ରିସେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି।
ଏଥିରେ ତାଙ୍କ ସିଏ actually ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ସେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିକି ମୋତେ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ଥିଲା unauthorized leave ground ରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ disengage କଲି disengagement on the ground of one criminal case is involved
Before the collector Gajapati on 17/10/2022, who has already been disposed of on 18/3/2023. Hence, the grievance of the petitioner doesn't survive anymore according to disposal. Next.
item 11,
My lord, may I pray one thing? May I be communicated the disposal order, my lord?
Don't
I-
communicate them.
Not yet communicated.
Okay,
It has not been communicated.
if this Learned Council of the state will ensure that if the disposal order has not been communicated, a copy of the said order be communicated to the petitioner within a week from today.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Next.
11,
May I plead the law? Lord, prayer has been made for a direction to the collector to grant permission to run the crusher unit in view of the order passed by this honorable court in the earlier writ petition. The relevant portion will also may turn to page 116 of the brief. The earlier direction was that, may I place my lord the relevant portion? If the
What is it?
petitioner produce necessary documents before the opposite party to college that he has authority to run the crusher unit, then this
I don't know anything. That order, this order. ଆପଣ issue କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
the issue my lord, I am the owner of the crusher unit
Where, which district?
in Jajpur district.
Jajpur, okay. ତାପରେ
My lord, there was an attempt for demolition of the same in view of the order passed in a PIL.
okay.
But however, my lord, challenging that order for demolition, I approach this honorable court.
This
That-
honorable
No,
ଅଟକେଇ
no,
ଦେଲେ।
that order was misinterpreted. The order passed by this honorable court in the PIL that was misinterpreted because that in that case it was in respect of stone quarry unit. That is why that
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ?
ମୋର crusher unit. ଆମର stone
କ୍ରସର ମାନଙ୍କର ବି ତ ଷ୍ଟୋନ କରି ଥାଏ ତାଙ୍କର।
ନା ଆମର ନାହିଁ।
ହଁ
ଆମେ
ତାଙ୍କ ସେ ଲିଜ
ଆମେ
ରେ
procure
ସେଠି
କରୁ।
ଉଠାନ୍ତି ୟୁଜ କରନ୍ତି।
ଆସକ୍ ବି ବନ୍ଦ ଅଛି ଏବେ ସେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ନେଲା ପରେ ସେଗୁଡା ସବୁ ବନ୍ଦ ବାନ୍ଦ ହେଇକି ରହିଛି।
ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା କରିବି ତାହେଲେ?
କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଲିଓ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଥିଲା ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଆନେକ୍ସ ପେଜ 116. Why I approve this honorable court earlier, the lords will get at page 116, that is annex 12. The petitioner, however, at liberty to ventilate his grievance, if any, for closure of the crosser unit, if he is entitled to run the same legally before the opposite party number 2 collector Jajpur.
ତ ଆପଣ ଗଲେ
ମୁଁ ଗଲି
ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା?
Annex 14 ରେ ମୁଁ ଗଲି।
କଣ ହେଲା ତାପରେ?
Thereafter, my lord, the collector was kind enough to sought for a report from the Tahsildar. Lordship, that is page 120, annex 15,
120.
120 page.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, again I approach this honorable court.
କଣ ହେଲା କହିଲେନି ବେଶ ପଡିଗଲା।
ଆଉ ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ,
stage ରେ ଅଛି।
ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା କଣ?
ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲେନି।
ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ମତେ ଦିଆହେଇନି ତ ମୁଁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ଆପଣ
ଜାଣିନି।
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବେନି?
ମତେ କିଛି କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ବି ହେଇନି କଲେକ୍ଟର till date collector has nothing communicated to me, madam. That is my
Address of the land in Kata is Jungle Kisam.
that-
Lot number so and so. As per the ROR.
ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମ ରେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି କରିବେ?
that has been taken
କ୍ଲୋଜର ପାଇଁ
care
ମୁଁ ବି କହୁଛି କ୍ଲୋଜର
that has been taken care into, my lord, in the earlier order.
ଅର୍ଡର ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଅର୍ଡର କିଏ ସେ
My lord,
ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲା
that
ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମ
dispute, my lord, in fact,
କେମିତି ଯିବ ତା ଭିତରକୁ?
but in fact it is not a jungle kisam land.
ଆଉ who will
It is the
decide?
Stitiman
Sir,
land.
sir, just who will decide?
My lord,
तहसीलदार
that competent court will decide, my lord. That is pending, my lord.
तहसीलदार
That is pending,
कोड
my lord.
पेंडिंग ଅଛି।
No, it is not, it will not be decided by the Tahsildar. RP, ମୁଁ RP number ଟା ବି ଦେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା। ହଁ।
ଆରପି ଆପଣ ଡିସାଇଡ ନ ହେବା ପଡିଥିବ। ଆରପି ଡିସାଇଡ ହେଲା ପରେ ଚାଲିବ। ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମରେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି କରିବେ?
No, it is not jungle kisam land, it is our Stitiman land. Wrong is
ସ୍ଥିତିବାନ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମ ଯଦି ଦେଇଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆମେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମ ବୋଲି ଧରିବୁ। I don't have any ମୁଁ ତ ସେଠି ଯାଇକି ସରଜମିନ ତଦନ୍ତ ପାଇଁ ଯିବିନି।
So
I have
that
to
is,
see
that
what
is
the
a,
report
well,
of-
RP is pending since 2014,
So
just after publication of the ROR, when our
କୋଉଠି
Stitiman land
କୋଉଠି appeal pending ଅଛି?
was recorded as jungle,
କୋଉଠି pending ଅଛି?
commissioner settlement, annex 10, my lord,
କୋଉଠି କଟକରେ?
କଟକ।
2014 ରୁ ପଡିଛି।
2014 ସେ ତ RP ତ ପଇସା।
Okay, I am doing one thing. I am directing that commissioner this settlement to dispose it of within.
No, no, that fact has been taken care into by
Again,
the,
again, ଆମକୁ order number ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ order ଦଉଛି।
ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ।
ଏଠି ଅଛି?
95
Council for the petitioner submit that.
Application number 479.
ଏଇଟା first time ଆସିଛି?
Application.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ବି ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ଟିକେ ଏବେ ଯୋଉ ଦେଲେ my lord of friends handed over to me, ତା ଦେହରେ ବି ଅଛି, hence the crusher unit owner may be allowed to continue with the established crusher unit without any operation and no eviction be conducted.
ମାନେ କଣ? Without any operation or continue ମାନେ କଣ? ବକବାସ order ନୁହେଁ।
ସେ ଯାହା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ କଣ କରୁ ଏଟା that is the report. So pursuant to that
ତହସିଲଦାର
report,
ଧର୍ମଶାଳା କହତେ ଟିକେ ସିଏ let him what does it mean? Allowed to continue with establishment of crusher unit without any operation and no eviction can be conducted. And what is the sentence he is written, sir? What kind of sentence he is written? Has he gone mad or what?
the pursuant to that report of the Tahsildar, the collector has to take a decision. Unless my lord, the collector takes a decision, the order passed by this honorable court in the earlier writ petition cannot be complied with.
Sir, ये earlier reputation କହୁଛି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେ version ଟେ ଦେଖେ ଟିକେ ମୁଁ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
Clear ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କୋଉ page ରେ?
160.
They're harping so much on that, I have to see that.
Page 13 order ta relevant portion of, because that government land, all those things have been taken into consideration. The liberty is.
ଏଠି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି? ବେଶୀ ventilated grievance ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କଣ
No,
ସତେ
no,
ଏତେ ବଡ
ଲେଖା
you are armed with such a big order that
ନା, ନା,
is going to
ତା ପରେ
protect you.
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ
କିଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି।
at liberty to ventilate his grievance.
ଆପଣ
if
ଯିବା
any
ventilated grievance order.
closure of non-closure unit if he is entitled to run the same legally before the opposite party to collector Jajpur. If the petitioner produce necessary document before the opposite party number 2 collector Jajpur that he has authority to run the crusher unit, then the same shall be taken into consideration and the petitioner B allowed to run the unit even if the same is located in a
Last
land
line
belonging to the
last
government.
line पढ़ो ना थी. If such license permission is obtained to run the unit, the same shall not preclude the authority under the OPLE Act to
Yes.
take steps for eviction and demolition in the manner known to law.
Among against no
It
proceeding has been initiated.
So
in
who has
intention of
gone
the
to-
order of this
who is-
honorable court.
Then before the settlement, you have approved the commissioner?
Commissioner, I have approved.
You have approved before the commissioner?
Yes, my lord, now, my lord, my grievance is, my lord, since the Tahsildar, the learned, my learned friends, I mean, handed over the copy of the report of this, so it has been addressed to the collector.
Hmm.
So in view of that order of this honorable court.
Let
last
the
in
collector
value
take,
request-
let take decision.
Let the collector
In
take
view
it.
of the report, the learned counsel of the petitioner has approached this court. This court challenging the inaction of the collector Jajpur in considering the representation dated 5/2/2021 of the petitioner. For the petitioner has prayed that as per order dated 7/1/2020 of this court in writ petition civil number 33866 of 2020, wherein it has been ordered that he may be issued with necessary permission to run the stone crusher unit. While disposing of the earlier writ petition, this honorable court, this court granted liberty to the petitioner to ventilate his grievance. In the meantime, the collector Jajpur has deputed the Tahsildar Dharamshala to have a status report of the scheduled land. And in his report, he has submitted that the present status of the land is that is in Hal Khata is Jungle Kisam with respect to the plot referred to in the case. Hence, without the NOC from the DM Jajpur, the consent to establish from SP Civic also cannot be obtained. No, consent to establish SP Civic also. Sorry, it is also mentioned that the consent to establish from SPCB Orissa, letter number 154 of 1427, dated 3/1/2001, and NOC from DM Jajpur, letter number 983, bracketed 5/2001, dated 9/6/2001, was obtained on the Sabik land bearing the pre-settlement details, Khata number 416, plot number 2734, acre 1 acre.
That's Sabik, it was in my name. That is the.
But the Kisam is jungle.
No, it's Sabik, it was in my
Hence
name,
the
my
crusher-
land.
Hence the crusher owner has approached to the
Commissioner and LR,
Commissioner LR,
at application number 479,
application number
79,
479,
480
480
of 2014.
of 2014. Challenging which challenges the Kisam land. We challenge the Kisam land as cited by the Tahsildar. In such view of the matter, let the Tahsildar, let the DM Jajpur issue କେମିତି ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି କେମିତି କରିବେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ହେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ସେ କରିପାରିବେ ସେଟା କିଛି ଆପଣ କିସମଟା ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ତାର ହେଇନି ସାର୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
ସେଥିରେ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଯେ ସେଇଟା ସରିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ସାର୍
even if it is
ବିଲକୁଲ
local-
ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ସେଟା ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମ ଭିତରେ ସେଟା ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ନହେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ
ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରାୟ କହିଲେ
let me do one thing.
same shall be taken in consideration.
Jungle Kisam, then your the permission of the forest department is also necessary.
yes
No, ସେଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା
sir
that-
first decide who
that earlier order passed by this.
ସାର୍ ଗ୍ରୀସ୍ କୋର୍ଟର କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର ନାହିଁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡରକୁ ଆପଣ ବାରବାର ହେଲ୍ପ କିଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କିଛି ଦେयर ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ ପଜିଟିଭ ଅର୍ଡର
Same is located
ସାର୍ ପଜିଟିଭ ଅର୍ଡର ନାହିଁ
in a land belonging to government.
ହିୟର ନଟ୍ ଦେୟାର ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହେଇଛି କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆପଣ ଏତେ କାହିଁ ସେତେ ହାଫ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ ସେ କହିଛି କଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଗଲା ଇ ଅପିଲ କରିପାରିବେ ସବୁ କରିବେ ତ ଫିର ଅର୍ଡର କଣ
ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ରନ୍ କରିବ
ରନ୍
ଯଦି
କରିବ
ମୁଁ I have
ଏମିତି।
permission
ମାନେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଡାଏଡ କଣ କହନ୍ତି ଅପରେସନ ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ
patient died.
ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଡାଏଡ ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡରଟା
No, 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 ସେଟା ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ even if it is located on the government land because after being
I
satisfied
am not
that
satisfied with that order simply ମୁଁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କୁ ଯାଉନି ମୁଁ simply ମୋ ଅର୍ଡର ଫଲୋ କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି
let the collector take a decision
ନାଇଁ
ମାନେ
କଲେକ୍ଟର
now the
କିଏ
ତହସିଲଦାର
ଏଇଟା ଡିସାଇଡ ନ କଲେ କଲେକ୍ଟର ବି ନେଇପାରିବେନି
the ତହସିଲଦାର has already
ସାର୍ ତହସିଲଦାର ଲେଖିଛି ଆପଣ ସେ ତାର ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ମାନେ ମୋ ମାନେ my endeavor is my lord any order will pass unless directing the तहसीलदार to take a decision
Sir, here
it will
Tahsildar
contrary
cannot
to
take
earlier
decision,
decision.
sir. When the matter is pending before the authority, that is a jungle kisam or ki kisam जाके जाना पड़ू तापर से तहसीलदार कौन
Well, it will contrary to the order passed by the earlier writ petition.
आलियर रिप्रेजेंट ऑर्डर में देखी भी नहीं किछि नहीं से ऑर्डर कॉन्ट्रारी कॉन्ट्रारी करथु से ऑर्डर किछि नहीं आपण हार कर चलछथि
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ order ବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଇଛି
ए ऑर्डर छाडନ୍ତୁ केते थरा आपण हाईकोर्ट आइले से हाईकोर्ट उल्टा सीधा ऑर्डर गुडा पास
another order
किछि नहीं मो ऑर्डर गुडा मोटर सुनନ୍ତୁ
another order
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
passed in
ମୁଁ ସେ ऑर्डर गुडा ଦେଖିବିନି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ writ petition
बिल्कुल दरकार नहीं ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବିନି not necessary
But your
not
lordship-
necessary I am not necessary I say
Well, that
not necessary
that
those
apart
orders
from that
doesn't say
matter-
anything
well,
ସେ ऑर्डर माने किछि नहीं neither here nor there neither here nor there ସେ କି ऑर्डर ଟା ऑर्डर किछि पॉजिटिव ଦେଇଛି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏନ୍ତି ଗେନ୍ଦରେ ଦି ଚାର ଲାଇନ ଲେଖିଦି ଅର୍ଡର ଏଟା ଅର୍ଡର ସେଥିରେ କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫେଭର କଣ ଲାଗେ
order ଟା ହେଇଛି
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫେଭର କଣ ଲାଗେ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ
ଗୋଟେ
ପଢିଲେ
10 page ର order
और 10 पेज बकवास 10 पेज लिखा
ଗୋଟେ-
है लास्ट आपण जोटा ऑर्डरिंग पोर्शन पढंतु आ बाकी गप के पढुचंदी आपण मु
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ
40 पेज
ordering
लगु
portion
40 पेज
ପଢୁଛି।
कोन इंपोर्टेंट
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
लास्ट
ମୁଁ
ऑर्डर
କେବଳ ordering portion ଟା ହିଁ ପଢୁଛି
हां पढंतु
ସେ କହିଲେ
कोन लगाले
the petitioner be allowed to run the unit even if the same is located in the land belonging to the government. Government-
गवर्नमेंट लेकिन किसम त लेकिन ना
ନା, government
गवर्नमेंट
ମାନେ
लेखिला
ସେଇ କିସମ
ऑल
ମାନେ
गवर्नमेंट
ସେଇ-
लैंड सुनंतु गवर्नमेंट लैंड ऑल गवर्नमेंट आर नॉट नेसेसरीली जंगल किसम and when here is जंगल किसम सेटा बुझुनांती आपण खाली कहि चलछन सेही ऑर्डर
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ସେଇଟା ତ
जंगल किसम मतलब वेरी डिफिकल्ट सर
that
सादा किसम सादा जो अनावादी जमी गुटे
that- that I
के
understand, my lord,
के
but-
पचारिबेनी
but that has been taken into consideration.
so no it has not been
ମାନେ
taken
my endeavor your lordship to apprise your lordship that earlier that order has been that
ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡର ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ପଜିଟିଭ ଡିରେକ୍ସନ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଅନନେସେସରି ହାର୍ପ
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି
କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଯେହେତୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଓନରସିପ କଥା
ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କୁ ଭୁଲି ଗଲି ରାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ବି ଫରଗଟନ୍
You-
ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ଫରଗେଟ୍
Well,
ଆଇ
my-
ଫରଗଟନ୍
my-
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ମୁଁ ଦେଖିନି
your lordship
ଆପଣ ଭୁଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡର ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଟାକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି
yes sir, yes.
industry should grow government should cooperate that is what my endeavor
Yes.
ଆପଣ ତାକେ ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡର ଇଆଡେ ସେ ପୁରା ଟିପିକାଲ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଭଳିଆ କାଇଁ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ରେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି you should understand ମୁଁ ଯଦି
The
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
matter-
ମୁଁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ
That
କରିବାକୁ
my endeavor is my lord
ସାର୍
if
ମୁଁ
the order will
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
pass
ଆପଣ
contrary
ଏଣ୍ଡିଭର
to the
ଥାଉ
earlier
ତାହେଲେ
order will be
ଆପଣ ଏଣ୍ଡିଭର ଥାଉ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ମୋର କଥା ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ ମୋ କଥା ତ ଶୁଣିବେନି ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଏଣ୍ଡିଭର କରି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି
କଥା କହୁ
ମୁଁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯେ ଲେଟ୍ ଇଫ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ 15 दिन ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରୁ ଆଇଦର ସବୁ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମ ହେଲା ତାର କନସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଫଲୋ ଇଫ୍ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କିସମ ନ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି ଚାଲିବ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ନ ଶୁଣିକି ଖାଲି ଏଣ୍ଡିଭର କରି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ବେଟର ସେଟା ଆଉ ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ଗୁଡା ଯୋଉ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଆପଣ ନାଇଦର ହିୟର ନର ଦେयर କିଛି ଲାଭ ନାହିଁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡରର ଏଟା କି ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫାଇଦା ହେଲା ଭଳି ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ଏଟା गवर्नमेंट लैंड रे এটা क्वेश्चन गवर्नमेंट लैंड की लैंड नहीं ये क्वेश्चन जंगल किस्म के अनावादी किस्म सेटा देखिबार अछि पुणी सेटा जंगल किस्म वाला ऑटोमेटिक यू हैव ए लार्जर रेस्पोंसिबिलिटी बन जियो हां हां बिल्कुल बंद और उठेबे सेठू जंगल हेगला हेठू उठेबे पूरा
फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस दरकार से मिलिବ
ସେଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ପୁରା ଦିଟା ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ସବୁ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଦିଟା ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରେ କୌଣସି ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଜାଗା ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ସବୁଟା ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ବିଷମ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତାରା ଦତ୍ତଙ୍କ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅନୁସାରେ
Okay.
ସେଟା ବହୁତ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇକି ରହିଛି
I am not going to all these things.
in the
I am
sabic
not going to all
record
these things, sir.
Now, what had happened?
Since a matter pending before the court, let the court decide. Like, since the matter pending before the LRC number is the petition number lagi, huh? Sir, 9 of 2000,
479
480.
479
Okay, okay. It's pending before the commissioner, blah, 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 Raji. And this said, the application has been pending since long, which requires an immediate disposal. Accordingly, the above the commissioner contra, commissioner settlement,
Land.
land reform, commissioner land reform to dispose of this same within 2 weeks from today. हाँ बिल्कुल नहीं 2 weeks दबो और 14 मचारे से कौन सोई पड़ी कौन cooperate से तो cooperate करिए and also the land council with the petitioner to cooperate the said application to for the disposal of the said application 15 days एक must be the तापरे आपन प्रॉब्लम एट तापरे आपन सॉल्यूशन की प्रॉब्लम कर जानिबे तापरे किछि नै एते खाली
after disposal the collector
तार
made the
अंधारे बाड़ी बोलो चलथिली एते अंधारे बाड़ी बोले सेटे से अंधार को आपन बल पाइ
Lordship also observe that after disposal of the RP, the collector will take necessary.
मु काई से गुडा भी आपन कलेक्टर ऑटोमेटिक कलेक्टर दबो सेटे
तो लिखि देथे तो
आफ्टर डिस्पोजल कलेक्टर ऑटोमेटिक टेक
collector
डिसीजन लेबो
अपन इंडिकेशन था जेतु
नहीं डिस्पोजल ना हेई नै मु एते कथा काई लिखबी डिस्पोजल ता हुआ
पहले पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन
से डिस्पोजल न कला जंदी तो एते तो कोन पड़े लिखि दी मु हमर सबु स्टेप रे एठी गुटे ऑर्डर रे सब लिखि दी ना कोन नेक्स्ट आइटम
खाली से ऑब्जर्वेशन ला
किछि ऑब्जर्वेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू डिस्पोजल ऑब्जर्वेशन किछि नहीं
Item 15.
आपण नै कि तो कलेक्टर को देबे से डिसाइड करियो आ कोन ऑब्जर्वेशन
खाली without observation जे after disposal of RP, the collector will
Okay,
जेतु
after
डायरेक्शन
disposal of
अछि
the RP, the commissioner shall remit the order to the collector and the collector take the appropriate decision in accordance with the law. Hala, next.
My learned friend just now survey copy. The mass for a copy to I will take it. 7 days time be granted to respond to this.
On and a copy.
prayer
I file question.
regarding vacation of the house of the residential house of the petitioner old senior
The complete civil litigation sir करजनी CRLMP suit file करी withdraw करी पुनी CRLMP रे order
आपण
खाली 7 days time
मते आपण कोन
ये CRLMP रे कौन नहीं है जी
my lord CRLMP she foresee OP
House
number
trespass
5
कही question.
OP number 5 forcibly occupied by residential house as per your lordship's earlier order the local police entered into meet my ground floor so the trespasser is residing in the first floor. So in the modified order filed by the IA, your lordship clarified that the OP number 5 trespasser shall vacate the house. But we produce your lordship's order before the OP number 5 as well as the local police. So still then, neither the OP number 5 nor local police are taking any action.
तांको जागा होची 66 फुट दूर रे घर होईची हम जागा से पीसी हम पुत्रा
You are not a sufferer.
complete
No,
dispute
no, you are not a sufferer.
I will
You are alleging against the state.
Read that. What is written?
I will respond to it. Just give me 7 days time. Just now
Read that.
my friend is giving.
While with due respect,
This जानि थांतु आपण क्लायंट आपण कर नुहे आपण कर वाइफ आपण कर नुहे पिला छुआ केही आपण नुहे your body is always yours it will always remain with you till your end you know body को काहे एते करछ and body means the heart is the major part of the body you are troubling your heart why you do this that's why you read that
well simply
I had just now
I want to make you healthy
I am praying maybe taken up 7 days after my friend has
जणे कहले से सुन
sir, my friend has given me just now the IA.
okay let him find the reply
I pray 7 days time only
how they argue
to respond to it.
time
no
in the order.
let him take
I will
let
respond.
him.
Okay.
Okay, land council your opposite party
Yeah, 5.
five
Huh.
6 1 week time to file the reply Hala.
senior citizen 82 years old.
sir rohon senior citizen
your lordship's order ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଦିନଠୁ ଯାଉଛି
ହେଲା
ମତେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ବି କରି ଦଉନି 12,000 ଟଙ୍କା ମୁଁ
sir ଟିକେ let him file ମୁଁ एकदम perfect order pass କରିବି don't worry
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
have faith
Civil suit file କରୁଛନ୍ତି CRLMP.
civil
ମୁଁ
suit
ଦେଖିବିନି କି
civil suit withdraw ଏଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
sir ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି
Suppression, complete suppression.
my lord ये
साहब देखेंगे।
making treachery with the court ମତେ କହିଲେ ଏଇଠିକି ଆସ ବସ ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିବିନି ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ୍ ନେବି
ମତେ କହିଲେ time
saying treacherous word କହୁଛନ୍ତି civil suit withdraw it is indicated
ଆପଣ ତ ଆରମ୍ଭ କାଇଁ କଲେ?
my lord in this type of my lord this
ମତେ କହିଲେ
Machiavellian policy of the advocate should be cut
ନାଇଁ,
Machiavellian policy
the color of glass
no
who is
always
Machiavelli
reflects the entire world. ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଚଷମା ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବେ ଦୁନିଆର ହବ ସେଇଆ ଦେଖାଯିବ।
ନାଇଁ
who is
ଆପଣ
Machiavelli
ନିଜେ କହିଲେ
ମତେ ଡାକିଲେ
complete କରିବା।
ଆଏ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଆସ ବା।
ବାହାରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଚା ପିଇବେ ଯାଇକି
କୋର୍ଟ
ହେଲା ବାହାରେ ଚା ପିଇବେ ଆପଣ ଚା ପିଲେବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏବେ ଯାଇକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ ପିଲେବେ you are occupying na you have to Mr. ମହାନ୍ତି କୁ ନେଇକି ଚା ପିଲାଉ okay and WhatsApp ରେ message ପଠେଇବେ ଚା ପିଇବାର message ଟା ପଠେଇବେ
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟ ଛାଡିକି
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ Next,
Item 16.
16.
Yes, defect number 5 is that is the petitioner
16.
now in the Bina. Sir, se Bina sign korchuni sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Bolo.
Sir, defect number 5 is देखिछन्ति जे petitioner not executed in the Bina. Sir, Bina sign korchuni आउ कार defect मोर कर देछन मोर defect ना.
Sign करनांती आपण भूली जेथिबे.
Sir, sign korchन्ति.
आपण करछन्ती?
हां sir, sign korchन्ति.
तो sign देखले. ठीक देखला. मैं original copy हो. आपण तरबर पैसा भरला बेलू भूली जेथिबे.
नाइ सर sign को मु verify करछि sir.
आपण एते तळा कर दोछन ना तळाटा कटि जाउछि आपण टिके ऊपर करना दी
Sir, next time to sign करू.
आपण जानना दी केतरे कटे बोली गिरी मेजरमेंट करिवे ना मेंटल मेजरमेंट को पोर्शन कटि जिवो बोली जानिया दरकार साइन कलाळे आपण टिके ऊपर को करिवे कटिबनी आ अति तळ को साइन करिवे कटि जिवो एंति कलाळे जेतले पठा होछि स्कैन करा होछि कटि जाउछि.
Next time sign करू.
Okay, the defect is ignored, don't worry. Yes, now you argue. The defect number 5 is ignored since there is some technical glitch while scanning the material. Next, go to.
PW5 was informed, sir. See report कले ये ताको पुओ PW4 मनजा जेतले ताको गारो काम करिया जाउथला this petitioner and another Sunil Nahago ताको डिटेल कले ताको कातिरे आ ओरे बाडे दे गा लोक आसियारु ताको छाडी के पले हेरी ए माने मेडिकल ले ट्रीटमेंट हला पर रिपोर्ट कले से रिपोर्ट रे
आपण का पई
सर आई एम फॉर कालिया सेठी
नहीं कालिया सेठी तो नाडा सी कोन करतला किए से
सब लेबर लोक जा
सर लेबर लोक कोनी सी एसेलेंट ना विक्टिम ना किए हाँ accused okay सी कौन तार रोल कौन
आ रोल होची ये करतवा खंडरे पुओर मुंडू को खंडरे जीवन रे मार दवा पे हानि दवा समय रे मो पुओ जीवन विकल रे
आपण कोन पे ये जजमेंट रे आपण कन्विक्शन हेचंदी
हां ये
आ
एसी
सुनील नाग आसीनी आपण खाली जणे आसंदी
सुनील नाग को जिला कोर्ट तो एक्विटल कर देले आकु कन्विक्शन कर देले
ओ एक कन्विक्शन हेला
नो मटेरियल इज सीज कौन सी जिंस केस सीज करा है
okay admitted. What is the sentence?
Sentence 3 years SI and 5,000 fine default
Okay.
3 months.
Okay, stay relation of the fine. Bail grant. Relation of fine वाला तापरे तापरे वो petition religion bail bail. Okay, bail granted. Stay relation of fine admitted. Next.
Item 17.
Next date दे दे see January दे दे January January to 17 कर दे Mr. Lenkar
removal of defect.
defects केबे फाइल करथिले
Here those.
Here those आपण एजा defect remove कर
Not been given. I have given yours.
You have given now given
No, trial court judgment.
Okay.
I have applied.
Okay. 10 days time granted for removal of defects. List the matter on 14 now January लगे दो
18.
January लगे दो सी January
No, December.
December habo to? Ho. 18 got it. Next.
18.
ଆପଣ ପିଟିସନର ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏପଟେ କାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଏପଟେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବାଲାଙ୍କର ଜାଗା ଓକେ yes
Based on the FIR of the petitioner, case was registered, subsequently registered as GR case number 794 of 2020 under section 294.
you are for the complainant
Okay.
you are for the complainant what happened
Well, Lordship, what happened? After the registration of the case, he was arrested and subsequently he moved for bail before this Hon'Ble court. This Hon'Ble court, wide annexed
sir bail katha chhada na issue
with certain conditions that
no,
deposit the entire amount of 63 lakhs.
bail jodi condition violate kala sethi gale ni CR libi re kahi achi
No, sir. I'm just coming to that point. Then he violated, he did not deposit. He deposited 27 lakhs. Thereafter, he did not. Again, approached this Hon'Ble court for modification, which was dismissed. And this Hon'Ble court directed the Commissioner of Police to arrest him. Arrest is effect. Thereafter, he evaded the arrest. Remained absconded. From 2021 onwards. Subsequently, I filed a petition to release that 27 lakhs because I had borrowed the money. He is evading arrest. No trial has begun, nothing. And police is not effecting arrest also. He is remained as absconder. So to release that money under certain terms and conditions because my wife is ailing. So
criminal division kahi file karchandi
so that was rejected. My petition was rejected on the ground.
What petition?
For release of that amount, what he has deposited before the trial court.
He has deposited some amount.
Yes,
What is the amount
27
he has
lakhs.
deposited?
27 lakhs. Out of 63 lakhs, he has deposited 27 lakhs.
Why the trial court has rejected?
Yes,
What is the ground?
That
for
is
it?
annexure 1, Your Lordship. The trial court, while rejecting my application, Your Lordship, that is annexure 1, the last portion may I read out, Your Lordship. The court perused the record and the petition filed by the learned counsel for the informant. The court found out that the informant...
Right reason, sir. Rightly
No, what he has observed that the
trial, if the trial is on, the trial is completed,
Yes.
then only money should be given,
Yes, Your
not in the between.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then-
But now what he has said, the last portion. Here the trial is still going on.
But trial has not started.
Not started. but he-
Anyway, this is start ହେଇନି ଏବେଟେ କୋଉ ଏ stage ରେ କାହିଁକି ଦେବ?
ନାଇଁ ସେ ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ trial is still going on.
Maybe.
But trial has not begun.
Bill ବି ହେଇଗଲା, but
No.
what is the ingredient 452 ପଢନ୍ତୁ? 452 ପଢନ୍ତୁ.
For refund.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ 452 ପଢନ୍ତୁ.
No, my grievance.
ନା section
in this
452
case-
ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ grievance
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ପଛେ କହିବେ ଆଗ ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ
ପଢନ୍ତୁ 452 ପଢନ୍ତୁ CRPC
ଆଜ୍ଞା. Order for disposal of property at conclusion of trial. Yes, Your Lordship.
That's on that basis
I
says-
go down, Your Lordship. Yes, maybe that.
Then what is the problem in this order, sir?
But
He's
he
rightly
is
filed the
writing
order.
the trial has begun. My only submission before Your
ये
Lordship.
trial begin କଥା ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
No,
ଆପଣ ingredient of this 452 is meeting or not, that you have to examine, and in fact it is not
Your
meeting.
Lordship. Now he has to proceed under section 82, proclaim him as an offender and take the evidence because the charge.
ସେଟା ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପଇସା ପାଇବାର କଥା ପଡିଛି ସେ କଣ କଲା
ଯାହାହେଲେ ବି trial will commence. ଆଉ ସେ abscond କରିବ for 10 years, 15
Sir,
years.
ଆପଣ ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି I am saying
Yes, Your Lordship.
since the trial court has relied on the tone and tenor of 452
Yes.
and the 452 doesn't allow the trial court to release the amount till the trial is concluded.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now in your case trial has not started even.
Yes.
So at this stage, that's why the trial court says, at this stage, it is not proper to release the amount.
That
So
was
why is
also
the mistake committed by the trial court? I don't
that
find
was
anything
also
wrong.
argued before the trial.
That might be argued,
The
but
learned trial court.
tell me
that was argued.
any case law, give me any case law where at this stage can be granted, then I can grant. Show me.
No, 452. I am not into that.
Huh?
Your Lordship, in my criminal
you are
division,
sir, you are challenging that order.
I am challenging vis-a-vis. In my criminal division, I have also stated that he should proceed. The learned trial court should proceed with section 82 because
Sir, just a minute. What are you challenging? What are you challenging?
The
You are
order.
challenging
450.
the 450 order
Yeah.
passed by the trial court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If you are challenging that order, how can you make some other prayer? You can only focus on what is, you are challenging that order.
Yes,
If
Your
any is the infirmity in the order, you have to say that.
Yes, the
And
information.
then why are you saying, how would you release our tentacles?
Infirmity होउची सेतरे से लेखिचंदी trial is still going on.
Sir, say information ठीक है भूल है सेटा इन्फेंट से भूल कला
So
भूल कला but भूल order wrong गोटे लाइन रे order काट देले order टा tone tenor पढियो नांदी लगा the tone tenor of the order passed by the learned JMFC
comments with the trial.
no
My
sir.
Lordship, my only prayer.
I am sorry, I'm not saying anything. I'm saying this court doesn't find any infirmity in the order passed by the JMFC Bhubaneswar, JMFC bracket LR Bhubaneswar, since the trial court has rightly stated that the 452, section 452 of CRPC cannot be invoked unless the trial is completed. And in the present case, the trial has not even started. Full stop. According to the petitioner, the order passed by the JMFC Bhubaneswar doesn't suffer from any infirmity. Accordingly dismissed.
Lordship, may just give a direction for early disposal or.
No,
more revision. That is my prayer. That is my prayer that.
Criminal division, revision. Yes.
Petitioner's name, state of Orissa. State of Orissa.
State of Orissa पे आपण कम कले आपण ता रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आपण लेखि सर मु देखिनी एटा स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा लिखिसेंती हाय स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा पिटिशनर स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा के आपण की देला परमिशन क्या करते हो सर
I am the complainant.
तो कंप्लेंट स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा का लिखली स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा पिटिशनर की थी स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा तो जानि ना थी सने यू फर्स्ट यू अमेंड इट काट रखी तो आदन लागला
हां
काची की पर भर देतो सब लिखि दवा हला so the petitioner to remove the petitioner number 1 state as a petitioner when the state doesn't know even its petition has been filed in its name on behalf of the state. Hence, the petitioner to remove the defects and file a press memo of party. 20 and 30 30th. 30th right. Thank you. Next.
God bless.
19.
19.
19, Your Lordship, on behalf of Dr. Lenka, Your Lordship. Due to personal difficulties, Your Lordship, Dr. Lenka is not present. Kindly.
What is the issue?
Lordship, for selection of Asa Committee, Your Lordship.
Asa Karmi.
On last
notice issue itla?
Your Lordship.
First time or notice issue?
No, sir. Notice issue, sir. Your Lordship, last occasion, Your Lordship, last order of this Hon'Ble Court, 17 order of 23. Here, this Hon'Ble Court had
is there any appointment made person the advertisement issued? No. What is the account? Grievance account? What was his grievance? Oh, acha. Let him come. Okay, list the matter on 7th, 8th December. Next.
20.
20.
MFP Jewelers. The petitioner is a small farmer, availed a loan for tractor in the year 2002.
What is ADWDR scheme?
Hello?
What is this ADWDR scheme?
Additional,
ADWDR scheme आप लिखिए
oh, sorry.
कौन सा full form?
The government of India introduced debt waiver and debt relief scheme in the year.
Agricultural debt नहीं थी वो.
My lord, agricultural
debt waiver and debt relief scheme 2008.
My lord.
Yes, before election आगे हुई थी लड़ा. So what is your grievance?
My grievance is, my lord, as per the scheme, the clause 8, my lord, page 16, the lending institution shall not charge any interest on the eligible amount for any period after February 29, 2008. My lord, kindly have a glance at Annexure 5, the certificate they have issued in my favor.
कोर्ट नहीं थी लड़ा. Manjanagar.
My lord.
Aska Central Cooperative Bank.
No. My loan amount is, my lord, the 3,88,000 and interest they've charged 3,78,000 na kono gote seta eligible honi.
Our loan kebe nahi thili?
2002 re.
2002 ante वर्ष आसे. So what when you are exempted from paying all the loan?
My lord, my lord.
You have been waived by the scheme.
My lord, as per the certificate,
certificate कौन लिखी थी? एतद् द्वारा प्रमाणित करा जाउछि जे ऊपर वर्णित योजना अधीन रे योग्यता अनुसार ऋण छाड़ लाभ आपनकु प्रदान करा जाउ अछि. ठीक है. अब हेले अब.
My lord.
फिर असुविधा कोडी रहला.
My lord, as per clause 8, my lord.
सर असुविधा कोडी रहला कोंतु एटा त दे दिया गला.
Annexure 6, my lord, kindly have glance.
असुविधा कोन कोंतु ना annexure 6
Release of documents should release करना.
सेही तो प्रॉब्लम तो.
Annexure 6 is pending.
Repentation.
Repentation.
काई repentation pending.
Repentation clause 8 रे कहिला.
Okay, issue notice to the what is that? Deputy Registrar of Cooperative Society. ये किंदी करिवो?
एटा
आपण कोठी देथिले आपण डॉक्यूमेंट?
OP number 5
आपण डॉक्यूमेंट कोठी देथिले?
Deputy Registrar of Cooperative.
Where is it pending?
My lord, Deputy Registrar of Cooperative Society, Barampur Division, Barampur.
Barampur. It is pending there. I don't doubt. Should not have been pending there.
It is a representation that is.
Sir, representation देबे का कोठी आपण डॉक्यूमेंट कोठी अछि?
डॉक्यूमेंट अछि
हां का पकरे अछि?
ए जो आस्का कोऑपरेटिव सेंट्रल बैंक लिमिटेड.
तो बैंक पकरे अछि आ के रजिस्टर को कहि दोछथि आपण? जे बैंक को मांगिबे कि रजिस्टर को मांगिबे? अब कलेक्टर को मांगिबे मो डॉक्यूमेंट देबे कलेक्टर. सेमते कथा. So you approach the appropriate authority.
My lord.
Okay, land council for the petitioner is directed to approach the appropriate authority seeking the release of the documents, and the said authority, that is the Barampur Cooperative Central Bank.
Aska
Central Cooperative Bank
Limited, Bhanjanagar.
Aska Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Bhanjanagar. And the manager of the said the branch shall take steps to release the documents as prayed by the present petitioner as per law. It is made clear that if any other loan amount, if any other loan account is pending with the bank shall take step considering the pendency of that loan. The loan my order cannot be. This order cannot be actuated if any other loan account is pending before the bank.
Considering Annexure 5, tax ये का देची तो certificate टा.
नहीं अपन जानते Annexure 5 के देची. Certificate जे अलग दे फिर अपन document जोड़े जे सेठी मागंत. सेठी जहाँ को अपन document दी दिले से ही document release करियो सर. अलग के release करियो.
नहीं Annexure 5 टा जोड़ा किसी देची certificate ताप अगर document अच्छी.
अपन देगी जानते certificate धरी के जानते सेठी. से certificate देखे जोड़े दी दिले सेठी आने बिना अपन अलग आने होगी. हाउस लोन गुड़ा करे कौन ताकर गुड़े centralized branch थाए. से सेंट्रलाइज ब्रांच सब डॉक्यूमेंट गुड़ा पड़े छोट छोट ब्रांच डॉक्यूमेंट रखबा डेंजर तेन बड़ बड़ ब्रांच रहे से सब डॉक्यूमेंट गुड़ा सेठी रखुछन से बाल्टी रे रखंती बाल्टी रे एम आई राइट मिस्टर 21.
I am Saras Kumar sir, behalf of Mr. Vijay Kumar Behra.
আরে এই ম্যাটারটা কালি হয়ে গেছিল এটা
Sir,
কালি ছিল এটা।
sir, last night.
আইলো আইলো বুঝলি এটা লাগিলা
এটা শুধু জাপান ফরেন ডিপার্টমেন্ট
আবার 5 বার করিবে মেনশন করিবে আপনার আমি আপনার চাকর টেল ইউর সিনিয়র দিস ইজ নট দ্য ওয়ে মেনশন করিকি ম্যাটার লগাবো আপনার ওয়েট कराबो 3 दिन ଆପଣ ବାରମ୍ବାର টাইম ନେଇ ଯାଉଥିବେ ଲଗା ମ୍ୟାଟର ସିଧା କେବେ ଲଗା ତାକୁ ତୁମ ଅଛି ଗଲା ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 12 ତାରିଖ ଲଗ 2024 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 12 ଆପଣ ମେନଶନ କରିଛନ୍ତି
on my mention in manual
the aware is either he is mentioning
ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ମେନସନ କରିକି ସେ ଦି ଥର ଟାଇମ ନେଇ ନିଅନ୍ତି
ଏ କିଏ
ଏ ଯୋଉ સોસાયટી ଏମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମକୁ ମତେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ he is not selected society my lord to operate the that scheme my lord two scheme are there my lord
where is the senior
কালি last night the grandfather dead করিলে
ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ
No, sir.
grandfather show must go on I have sympathy for that but show must go on ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ଆସି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ଏବେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଶୁଣା କଣ ଅଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ I'll decide
sir, I can't argue now.
you can't argue
No sir,
you can't eat
I am
can
fresh
you
sir.
eat ଖାଇପାରନ୍ତି ତ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ବି କରିପାରିବେ ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ତ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ଖାଇବେ ଆଉ କାହିଁ କରିପାରିବେନି it's not a different party same party
Matter from 2007, I don't know what is the matter, my lord.
you go and read it I'm fixing it on Tuesday
No, my lord, I'm
why then remove your gown then if you are not fit to ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଦିନ ପଢିବେ ଆସିବି ପାରିବେନି ନହେଲେ ଯଦି ପାରିବେନି ତାହେଲେ ଗାଉନ କାହିଁ ପିନ୍ଧିଛନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା
I'll try,
ଅଲଗା ଧନ୍ଦା କରନ୍ତୁ
I'll try, my lord.
you will try nahi you will argue
Yes, my lord.
I will not even allow your senior to argue
Yes, my lord.
come ready
Thank you, my lord.
never say no
Okay, my lord, okay.
ହେଲା
Okay.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କଲଣି କେତେ ବର୍ଷ
Last 3 months,
3 months
my lord.
oh he is very small baby boy baby lawyer
My,
okay but anyway baby lawyer it is not a rocket science which you cannot argue it's a very simple thing you read you can do where have you studied
Ganjam Law College, my lord.
okay come prepared
Okay, my lord.
okay it is another form of GLC Mumbai GLC it is GLC
Yes,
Ganjam Law
Law
College GLC era nahi.
my lord.
So that's why I think it's GLC of Orissa generally
My lord.
so you are come and argue
My lord.
ହେଲା କ୍ଲାସ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ତ
My lord.
ରେଗୁଲାର କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ
My lord.
ଓକେ ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ହେଇଯିବ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
My lord.
ଟେକ୍ ଦ ଫାଇଲ ଗୋ ଥ୍ରୁ ଇଟ୍ ଟ୍ୟୁଜଡେ ଲଗାଉଛି ହେଲା
Okay, my lord.
ଆପଣ ସିନିୟର ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ କିଛି
Okay, my lord.
ହେଲା ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି ଆଇଲ୍
Deeply honored, my lord. Deeply honored.
so I'll argue on your behalf if you fail to do that don't worry come argue
My lord.
do but ପଢିକି ଆସିବାକୁ ପଡିବ
My lord, my lord.
ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ କିଣିବ ଯାଉ ଯାଉ ଆଗେ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ କିଣିବ ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ସେଠି ଚିପକେଇବ ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପେଜରେ ନୋଟ ବନେଇବ କୋଉ ପେଜରେ କଣ ଅଛି ହେଲା
My lord.
ଆଉ ଖୋଜା ଖୋଜି ଏଠି ନାହିଁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପେଜରୁ ଆସିବାର ଅଛି
My lord.
ହେଲା ଗୋ
My lord. Deeply honored.
ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
22.
22
My lord, here the impugned order is under annexure 1.
what is the order what is the issue
My lord, issue is that I am a tenant. The opposite party.
oh medical college
Yes.
sorry medical store sorry
The private opposite party is the owner. My agreement, my
ଆପଣ ଛାଡି ଛଡା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ କାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଦିନ ତ judgment ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ।
ହେଇଯିବ ତ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଦିନ ୱେଟ୍ କରିଦଉଛି ତାହେଲେ
ବୁଧବାରକୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ।
ଓକେ ମୁଁ ବୁଧବାର ମୁଁ ଶୁକ୍ରବାରକୁ ରଖିଦଉଛି ହେଲା
ଶୁକ୍ରବାର।
I don't think she has any problem ହେଲା ଟିକେ ଅଟକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ମିଛ
You are-
କହୁଛି ଆପଣ
you are
କୁହନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହୁଛି।
approaching towards the solution ଟିକେ ୱେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
Lordship, kindly glad Lord 2013 ରୁ ମତେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି Lordship.
okay let the trial court pass the
But Lordship ଏଇ ୟା ସହିତ ମୋର କିଛି ସମ୍ପର୍କ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ
ହଉ
Lordship.
ସେ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଯୋଡୁଛନ୍ତି ନା କଣ କରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ହଁ
civil
Lordship,
suit ବିଷୟରେ
yes
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
Lordship.
ଆଜ୍ଞା, civil suit ବିଷୟରେ
Unnecessarily I
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
am dragging in this matter Lord.
Okay, anyway, Friday पर out drinking
Then
करें
not
देवी
even
है ना okay
prepare
Friday let
it.
the matter be listed on Friday दे दियो केवे दे दियो Friday 1 तारीख लागू हाला December 1 रे okay next
Lordship, it is peremptory Lordship. It's humble submission Lordship. I am suffering Lordship.
what
He is not vacating my
Friday लगेली परा
Civil suit जदि set aside ହେଇଯିବ
Friday लगेली आपण तार आउ तुम देबिनी टाइम civil suit set aside हो न हो I'll pass on
set aside ହେଇଯିବ କାହିଁକି
ମୁଁ
ସେମାନେ
I'm pass I'll pass on
ସେମାନେ
ହେଲା
ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
okay let's see ମୁଁ I can't I have I mean I don't know about what that forecasting
ଏ
future
4 ତାରିଖକୁ ରଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
हो 4 तारीख हो 4
4
तारीख next
Mobilize
Order
left.
to continue.
intimate to continue
23.
but get ready to vacate से order pass हेले मैं vacate कर देबी
ଆଜ୍ଞା
अब
ମୁଁ ସେ
get
order
ready to
pass
vacate
withdraw କରିଦେବି
very good thank you ନହେଲେ ବି ଆମ ନହେଲେ ବି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏ ବାହାର କରିଦେବି ସେଠୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା withdraw
ଯାହାର ଜାଗା ସେ ତାକୁ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଦୌଡେଇବେ 10 ଥର ଲେଖା ଏଇଟା କି ନୀତି
civil suit ଆଉ maintain
ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଭଡା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣ ଟେନାଣ୍ଟ ହେବେ ଆଉ ବିଚାରା ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲର୍ଡ କୁ ଦୌଡଉଥିବେ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ କି ନୀତି
106 notice ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
this is very ଅନ୍ୟାୟ ନୁହେଁ
Wrong submission. I have already submitted.
okay you said you
given the
don't stop
106.
submit I'll take care don't worry
Mobilize left.
next
23.
23
This is the matter. Whether farm was allowed to continue in the inside the village,
what farm
the poultry farm.
पूरा कौन आदि फार्म वाले केते प्रकार फार्म अछि अधा आधा काहे कहंती पूरा ए poultry farm was allowed to operate in the village have you obtained the consent to operate
No,
not required
I filed an application. Earlier an inquiry was conducted to shift the farm.
आपण के गार लास्ट लिमिट रो केते दूर अछंती
गाँ भितर अच्छे देखा that is the inquiry report.
आपण किए
मु जी person जो file application on which a direction was given to shift the farm to outside the village.
तो आपण हो आपण सीधा सीधा आंसर काहे देउ नंदी हाई कोर्ट रे कोन बीमारी ना कोन मु आपण को पचारली you are the complainant
आज्ञा
तो कहू I am the person under whose एते लंबा कहली जो आज्ञा आपण को मुंह कोडले सीधा एठी लगेबे आपण एटा कोठी सिंदूर लगे दे आपण नहीं नहीं सिंदूर एठी लगे छी एंती कहले नी मु तो पचारली who are you आपण I am the complainant simple एक ही लाइन में काम खत्म I am the person on whose petition poultry farmer shifted it is the answer so you are the aggrieved person
आज्ञा
person aggrieved sorry the law act ho person aggrieved okay so
Page 17 an inquiry was made my lord direction was given to shift the farm.
Okay.
This and pursuant to this my lord a letter was issued that two farms to shift the
say who is for the farm owner ki
sir.
okay so आपण से जगह छाड़ी दो नांती को मैं
କାହିଁ ଜାଗା ଛାଡ଼ିବି
छाड़ी नहीं यहाँ को प्रॉब्लम हो जी ना मिस्टर रथ को प्रॉब्लम हो जी माने तांगा क्लाइंट
अरे एମାନେ ବି ବେକାର କରିବେ ତାପରେ ଯାଇକି କିଛି ମଦ ଦୋକାନ ଦେବେ ହଣାମରା କରିବେ ଯାହା ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଫାର୍ମ କି
जे फार्म केते दूर अछि गार मझिरे अछि
ନା ଗାଁ ମଝିରେ ନୁହଁ
केते दूर
ये लड़की में कहीं करते मु खाली दीटा मोर आर्गुमेंट
आ दीटा कना 10टा करंतो ना अब आकु आसन 10टा करंतो किसी कोई बात
first my argument is on the last occasion a writ application was disposed of direction was given जे you cause an inquiry आम दु जन जेंति कोर्ट रे या गवर्नमेंट को ऑर्डर हैला आपण गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट कहले हां हमें इंक्वायरी करी इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट त मु भी सबमिट करछि पर्सन टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस कोर्ट इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट कहले my lord I am reading today I have also served copy to my learned
ए को जगह रे को डिस्ट्रिक्ट
एटा पिपिली पाख हम पुरी पिपिली मझे मझे पिपिली पाख
पिपिली एटा अछि ये
जान से पिपिली चांदुआ
को ना पिपिली गां रे का
ना पिपिली तो निमापड़ा जीवा को जो रास्ता अछि लेफ्ट साइड
गां भीतर
हां गां भीतर
आपण एटा केते दूर ए जो फार्म टा गां रो आउटर लिमिट रे केते दूर गां रो आउटर लिमिट रे केते दूर
अल्प पाख अब रात रे न जगिले तो पुनी कुकुड़ा चोरी नै जिवे ना
ये तो आंसर नुहे सर
गरीब पिला टे जे ए तो
ये आंसर थोड़ी न कुकुड़ा चोरी जे बोली आपण गां भीतर लगे करबे ना
गां भीतर न पाखे रे आ कोन कोई बहुत दूर रे की पाखे रे
केते पाखे रे
नाउ द रिपोर्ट पर्सन टू द
रिपोर्ट देखले
मैडम में काइंडली सी रीजन डाटा देन
रिपोर्ट दे
एवडा से देखि रीजन डाटा आसी ना एटा सेते देखि लीता आई हैव माइंड
देखले
report as are put it is hereby informed that the inspection committee had visited your poultry farm on 24/8/22 as per the prevailing CPCB and SPCB guidelines and honorable NGT rulings because NGT rulings
the Joint Inspection Committee is of the opinion that the farm in the instant case is of 4,000 capacity and does not come under green category and hence need not be shifted from its present
ये
sitting
क्या
position.
हुआ, ये आंसर थोड़ी है. दिस इज नॉट द राइट आंसर. जो रिपोर्टर जहाँ दरकार सेटा आइला डिस्टेंस लिखिलानी, कोठी अच्छे लिखिलानी, केते केते गंध सेठु बाहर से लिखिलानी, लोकमान को असुविधा होछि कि न होछि लिखिलानी. एटा रिपोर्ट
सर इनक्वायरी रिपोर्ट देना पेज 37 ने मु देछि इनक्वायरी रिपोर्ट
37
सर देछन जो कम्युनिकेशन का देछन
एटा ना इनक्वायरी रिपोर्ट
पेज 37 रे अछि रिट पिटिशन
हम्म
क्लॉज 12 का देखो. The nearest residential household is situated about 30 meters on south east side and 15 meters on the north east side. Clause 12 देखो.
30 मीटर रे थोड़े अब तो रूल होचे 500 मीटर.
500 मीटर जो गाइडलाइन दे आर रिलाइडिंग
इवन 500 मीटर को मु हटे के 1 किलोमीटर करे पासिंग ऑर्डर
ओब्लाइज में
पॉकेट दे 500 मीटर. बहुत गाँव रे प्रॉब्लम होची.
10
सब गाँव रे आजकल जुआड़े देखो जहा हो न चाष छाड़ी देले लोग कि कुकुड़ा चाष छाड़ू ना.
कुकुड़ा नीचे बर्तन छाड़ खाई आसिला ये भी जाके ठिया में कुकुड़ा वगैरह
नहीं हम
क्लोज करके
नहीं ना शिफ्ट करिया पे गां बाहर को खाली
हां
से गां बाहर सेटा चैलेंज कर सेटा को करके हम कोई आ दीटा फार्म माइलर ई माइलर सीट फॉर अ मोमेंट अनेक्स 2 माइलर
सेही रिपोर्ट ता सर देखो तो पेज 38 मु गोटे पैराग्राफ आई ड्रा
सर एटा तो रिपोर्ट 37 एटा कोन एटा तो रिपोर्ट
हां 38 ता देखो
एई रिपोर्ट
सेही रिपोर्ट जोटा पढुतले माय लर्नेड फ्रेंड आई वांट टू रीड पेज 38 ताकर रिपोर्ट. Therefore, in the above backdrop, as per prevailing CPCB and SPCB guidelines and honorable NGT rulings, the Joint Inspection Committee is of opinion that the farm in the instant case is of 4,000 capacity.
सर आपन का फोन मु नहीं जी 500 रुपीस जार फोन बाजीबो से देबे फोन आना आपन फोन नहीं जी आ मते 500 रुपीस देबे बार एसोसिएशन ऑफिस रे डिपॉजिट करबे नेबे आपन जार फोन बाजिला से मो फोन बाजिले मु 500 टका देबी बस मो फोन बाजे नहीं मु रखे नहीं एठी. यस
सेटा भी देखी पेज 38 जो पढ़िली पैराग्राफ ता
The Joint Inspection Committee is of opinion that
Yes.
the farm is in instant cases 4,000 capacity and does not come under green category and hence what is that green category?
एतिकी 4000 रु अधिका रहिले तले सेटा इट विल कम अंडर ग्रीन कैटेगरी.
सर ग्रीन पर जो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट जो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट गाइडलाइन जो अछि 500 मीटर दूर रे गांव आउटर लिमिट रहबे बोली
39 ने गाइडलाइन ता देछि पेज 39 ने गाइडलाइन ता देछि जो ग्रीन लाइन गाइडलाइन
एटा किए गला एटा ए सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेटरनरी वाला
हां
ए माने रिपोर्ट देबे मु लॉयर टे पठौछि मु लॉयर टे पठौछि
हां ओटा लॉयर
आपण 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 क्लाइंट पैसा देबो
आया
आपण क्लाइंट तर पेट्रोल खर्च देबो हला
सीए भी देबे आधा आधा
मु के देबी आपण कुकुड़ा मु देबी आ
पिटिशनर देबो ना आपण वायलेटर देबो ना polluter pay principle those who pollute they will pay हला polluter pay principle
ये एले बर्तन कि जणा पल्ला हुई
ना मो एबे तो पठौछि आ आपण केते मीटर से
आ गाड़ी के ना दिए जणे दी जण आकु भी किछि काम नै केस करिया अन्य ना
मु पठौछि मु पठौछि
तो कि गोटे जति गारू आज्ञा केस फाइल करबे ताले 100 लोक
Mr. Vishwal, are you ready to go to as
he's
court
the right
commissioner?
person.
Court commissioner.
is the right person.
So you visit that place, pay him 25,000.
25,000
How?
ये मु आज जे पाइनी पांचटा रीट डाउन जे को जो नहीं ताले एतो बड़ वकील पठान और भी छोटिया वकील पठान हाइट देखी रेट कोइ देले
आओ तो छुटिया वकील
से जीवन से बिना पैसा लबी न ताकि तंटा नाटा बाहर जा तू
तो केते टका देबे आपण
जुडिशियल ऑर्डर ये मोटू ग्रीड नहीं के अन्य वकील को दे दो
नहीं आपण केते टका देबे कोंतु
आज्ञा
केते टका देबे 10,000 टका दियंतु कोंतु
10,000 टका से मोर दिन दबो से मत देनी
आगड़ा तिरे दिजिबे आ निजे हाथ रो पेट्रोल पड़ी के जिबे
ना 5,000 टका दबो
ना मिनिमम 10
वायर पिपिले
वायर डिग्रेडिंग इज
मो घर पूरी मु सदाल जाउ से बाटे
तांका डिग्निटी भी तो देखिबे
2,000 टका नबो कार 1,000 टका खाइबा और 2,000 टका परिया पत्र बाटन लेके
team for inspection of the poultry farm of the petitioner which is located at Palasahi, Khorda, Palasahi, district Khorda, district Khorda. The report which is submitted doesn't inspire the confidence of the court. Hence, and seems to be, and it prima facie violates the guidelines, environmental guidelines for poultry farms issued by Central Pollution Control Board. And concept of this court is of the opinion that a court commissioner be appointed to visit the spot and examine whether the environmental guidelines for poultry farms has been properly complied with or not.
Keep distance.
I'm coming to that side.
Complaint of silence.
Guideline deliver guideline say padive guidelines accordingly follow
To
देखियो
solve, so the lawyer
Okay.
commission.
Okay.
And
It is also made clear that the state court commissioner shall also look into the surrounding areas and the people, the people affected by the filthy smell of the farm and other kind of issues involved in the involved due to the existence of this state poultry farm nearer to the village boundary. Let the report be submitted before this court on 15th December.
Your Lordship may fix a date so that
Yeah, I'm
everybody will be
sorry.
present there. To
When
go for the commission.
when learned when established, Mr. Anjan Kumar Vishwal is appointed as the court commissioner to visit the spot between 25 to 27. छुट्टी भीतर जे परिबे 25, 26, 27. देबे
Date will be fixed.
The date will both the councils.
25, 26, 27 ଭିତରେ କୋଉ ଦିନ ଯିବେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ and
ନହେଲେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ later date ଦବା।
within a week ମୁଁ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି within week, within this the current week, sorry, within a week from today, and he will inform the councils for both the parties so that they will intimate to their clients to be present. ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଯିବେନି ଆପଣ ଗଲେ ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼ ଧରିବେ ସେ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ ହେଇଯିବେ
କି ଆମେ କି ଯିବୁ
ଆପଣ ଯିବେନି
ନା ସେ ମତେ
inform your client
ମୋ
so
ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ
that
ଚିନ୍ତା ବସିଲେ ପଇସା ପାଇବ କି ନାହିଁ
inform their respective clients
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆରେ ଲେଖିବି ନା ମୁଁ ସେଟା ବି ଲେଖିବି inform their respective clients to be present at the time of his visit and they will cooperate his visit ହେଲା ଆଉ ସେଠିକାର ଯୋଉ ଇଏ କଣ
ପଶୁ ଡାକ୍ତର
ବି ଯିବ ନା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ପଶୁ ଡାକ୍ତର ବି ଯିବ ନା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ and the local veterinary inspector,
chief district medical officer who has given the certificate.
ନା chief district medical
ସେ କାଇଁ ଯିବ
veterinary sir
report
ସେ ଦେଲେ କଣ ସେଇଟା ମତେ ଡାଉଟ ହଉଛି
ନାଇଁ doubt
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିକି ଆସିବେ କଣ ଏଟା ଏମାନେ କଣ କରିବେ
କମିଶନ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
not necessarily let him file it guideline follow ଅଛି ଦେଖି a copy of the guideline be provided by the registry दे देगा आपको petition copy okay let ठीक है land council the petitioner shall provide him a copy of the writ petition along with the guideline
counter rejoinder everything
hearing
copy along with the guideline
fundamental ଟା clear হবে কি তারপরে কোন
along with the guideline issued by the CPCB guideline for poultry farm issued by CPCB full stop the counsel for the petitioner shall impress upon his client to pay rupees 10,000. Sorry. The opposite party number कितने? Opposite party कितने?
Six.
Opinion number 6 shall impress upon his client to pay rupees 10,000. You should respect his dignity. ଗୋଟେ lawyer ଟେ ଯିବା 5,000 ଗୋଟେ କଣ ମ? ଆଜିକାଲି ଏତେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ ଚଲଉଛି 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଗଣି ପାରିବିନି। ନା dismiss କରିଦେବି ଜାଣିବି ତାର। ନ ଦେଲେ dismiss।
out of court court ରେ ସବୁ discussion ହୁଏ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ଲେଖୁ ପୁରା। ନା 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 ନା।
ନିଜେ
ସାର୍ ନାଇଁ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଲେଖ ଆମେ
wherein his father was appearing in a case.
କଣ ସାର୍
His father Mr.
ଫିସ୍
Senior
ସବୁବେଳେ
Advocate
ଫିସ୍
Mr.
ଲେଖା
John-
ହବ ଫିସ୍ ଟା ଲେଖା ହୁଏ କିଏ କହିଲା ନାଇଁ ବୋଲି ଫିସ୍ ଲେଖା ହବ
ହୁଏ।
ହଁ
ମୁଁ ସେଇଠୁ ଟିକେ
ଫିସ୍ ଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଦେବେ
ହଜମ
10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ ଦେବ ତ ବାଧ୍ୟ ଦେବ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ କୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେବ ନା ଦେବ
ମଲା ସେ ଯୋଉ
rupees 10,000
ଓକିଲ he will change the lawyer.
ସାରନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ 10,000 as
ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଓକିଲ
as a token of fee token ଲେଖୁଛି ଫି କଣ ସେ 10,000 ଏକ token of fee
Expenses.
voluntarily
for his expenses
traveling expenses
for traveling expenses ହେଲା within on the day of his visit ସେଠି ଦେଇଦେବି ହେଲା on the day of his visit
ତେଲ ପକେଇବାକୁ ପଇସା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ସେ ଯିବେନି ସେମିତି
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର
ଟଙ୍କା ନ ପାଇଲେ କିଏ ଯିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା
within 3 days from today within 3 days
ନା ମୋ 3 days ଗଲା ମୁଁ ଭଲ କହିଲି ସେଠୁ ମୁଁ ମଦି ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଦେବେ ନା ବ୍ରିଦିଂ ଟାଇମ ତା ପାଖରେ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆଜି କୁକୁଡ଼ା ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇନି କାର୍ତ୍ତିକ ମାସ କାର୍ତ୍ତିକ ମାସ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଯାଉଛି
ହଁ ଓଡିଶାରେ ଆଉ
ଏତିକି ପୁଣି
କାର୍ତ୍ତିକ ମାସ ସରିଲେ କେହି ଖାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଏ ଦୁଇ ଦୋକାନ ଗୋଟେ ଚାଲିଛି କେମିତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ କିଏ କାର୍ତ୍ତିକ ମାସରେ କିଏ ପୁଣି ହେଲେ ପଞ୍ଚୁକ ଚାଲିଛି ଏ 5 ଦିନ ପିଆଜ ରସୁଣ ବି ଘରେ ପଡେ
ଓହୋ ଏତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ହେଲା within 5 days from today ହେଲା କହିଲି list the matter on କେବେ କହିଥିଲି 14 15 days 15 ରେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବେ ହେଲା ଓକେ
till then no coercive action entry order
okay entry order to continue next
24
Commercial boilers are subsidy ଦେବା କଥା accordingly direction
On behalf of Mr. Jana, may I submit my lord on 18/10/2023.
ଏଇଟା କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଏଟା
It is 24 ଟା. Mr. Jana is appearing for epical.
epical ପାଇଁ
Yeah. And Karunakar Jana, myself. He is absent today for that reason.
instruction ନେବେ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ ଆଜି ଜଣେ
କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
କେବେ payment ଦେବେ
ନା ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ନ କଥା କହିନି କୋଉଠି
କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କଣ ଲାଗେ
18/10/2023 ର ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ The managing director epical is directed to refer the matter to the state level committee for taking fair decision on the case of the petitioner. ହଁ ତାର ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପେନ୍ସି ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ମଗା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ତେଣୁ ଦେଇ ନଥିଲେ ସେଗୁଡା ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଲେବୁଲ କମିଟି କି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅଲରେଡି ଯେହେତୁ ଫର୍ମ ହେଇନି ଆମେ ଅଲରେଡି ତାଙ୍କୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ ଯେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଲେବୁଲ କମିଟି ତମେ ଫର୍ମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ତା କଥା ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ this is to inform you that as per the order dated 18/10/2000 of the Honorable High Court of Orissa, the above matter was discussed at the highest level and it was decided to put up a matter of Srimati Rina Raut in the next SLC meeting and the decision of the state level committee shall be intimated to you at an early date that has been sent to us on 4th November 2023. SLC ବସିନି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ବସିଲେ
that is your
so
communication
how frequently use the SLC sheet in our state
within a month SLC ବସିବାର ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଛି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ within 1 month ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ wait କରନ୍ତୁ
that is the
let them
may file the communication given to us.
Pursuant to the order dated 18/10/2023 passed by this court, the matter was discussed at the highest level and it was decided to place the matter of the present petitioner in the immediate state level committee meeting. In the state level committee meeting, sitting in immediate future.
Next
Immediate future, I mean.
ଆମେ ତ ସେଟା epical କହିପାରିବନି
brought to the notice of this court, and since the matter, since the land concept for the epical.
Agriculture promotion.
I know that. Six some time for the state level committee to sit, and 1 month time is granted to the OP number
7.
OP number 7. list the matter on January, that's all. 10th January. Hala.
10th January.
10th January. Let them have a meeting if they to
No,
decide something.
unless until the state calamity committee
This
approves
is
his,
decision. When this time, let them take it.
I cannot say state level committee move
Committee
form
ବସିଲା
କରିବି।
ପରେ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉଛି ବସିଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଆଉ
epical
ଯଦି ଆସିଲା you can mention it.
yes
ଏଇଟା ରଖିଲି।
epical ତାର project ଟା
The-
ପଠେଇ ଦବ
the
ପୁରା
letter,
state level committee state
uh,
form କରିବ।
letter handed over by the open number 7 may be kept on record. Next.
Obliged.
Item 25, may I please?
25.
Settle the death claim of the present mother-in-law of the petitioner, my lord. Is a policy holder and they ready to settle, but with two
I'll clarify.
two
I'm filing the counter.
they
affidavit
two
today, my lord.
condition. I am agree with their condition, my lord. The lordship
What is that
dispose-
condition?
I'm only saying, my lords, my objection in this writ to this writ petition, my lords, is so far as is regarding the maintainability of this writ, my lords. On the ground, my lords, that if your lordship sees the prayer that my learned senior is seeking for, my lords, it basically falls within the realm of, my lords, deficiency of service of the opposite party numbers 2 and 3. For which, my lords, there are appropriate, my lords, forums like the under the CP Act as well as the permanent Lok Adalats.
Yeah.
And my lords have also, my lords, I have annexed an order passed by your lordships very recently in the month of July for the same insurance company, my lords, wherein your lordships had directed the petitioner in that case, relegated the petitioner to the appropriate forum. But for this case, my lords, but bereft of all this, my lords.
So why have you come here first, tell me? Why are you have invoked 226 jurisdiction?
Because they, my lord, asked for documents. I have already submitted documents.
My lords, may I just say one more line, my lords?
So just a minute. If, what is the issue? They have not given the
My husband is the legal, my husband is the nominee of the policy. My mother-in-law, my lord. During process, my lord, he also died, my lord. Now myself with 1 and 2 years small child suffers and be
So why have you approached this?
Yes,
What did they say?
They say initially they asked for 2 documents. I have already submitted their documents. Thereafter,
his allegation, my lords, we did not pay, my lords.
So why are you not?
My lords, what I'm saying, but for that, my lords, your lordships knows.
Don't go for this maintainability. जो आज पैसा देवा बंदर maintainability also देखेंगे. I am file password even if I am not bereft of jurisdiction, I'll password.
My lords, what I'm saying, my lords, I'm saying that.
Jurisdiction has ample power. It can still do that. So don't raise the jurisdictional issue.
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା
ଲୋକ
କହୁଛି
ତ ଜୟ କରି ପଇସା ତ ଦେବା କଥା ଦେବେ ଏତେ କାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟ କଚେରୀ ଲୋକ ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି
that will open the floodgates of this honorable court, my lord. Then those forums, my lords, will become defunct one day.
Forum? He has done he has taken the policy.
His mother, and there is another surviving son left who has not been made party.
So that you can tell him, make them party.
I see as an observer, at the time of his, they
What
were
I'm saying, my lords, ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ minute. Your lordship will grant him the relief.
Just solution. ଆପଣ ସେଇ ଯିବେ ଆପଣ ପାଖକୁ ଯାହା ଯାହା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦରକାର କହିବେ ସେ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦେବେ ଖତମ matter ends ଏତେ କଥା କଣ
My lord may direct me. I am ready to pay him.
That is what I'm saying.
I am saying, my lords, just 2 lines your lordships may observe that, my lord, this order of your lordships may not be treated as a precedent. And my lords, my lord, the question of maintainability may be kept open for a future case.
ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବେ ଲେଖିଦେବି ହେଲା
ମୁଁ ତ ଦେଇଦେବି. Your lordship may direct. I have taken instructions.
This cannot be treated ଯାହା କହିବେ ଲେଖିଦେବି
ସେଇ 3ଟା ଲାଇନ୍ ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, your lordship 8 weeks ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, will pay.
ଏତେ କଥା କାଇଁ
Your lordships may direct. ମୁଁ ତ ସେଟା concede କରିବା ପାଇଁ without recording my concession.
The petitioner husband late Ranjan Kumar Soy applied for death claim of his mother Lakshmi Soy who died on 8/7/2022 as the petitioner's husband giving nominee of her mother's in-law's policy number Bajaj Life in a paragraph Bajaj Life Insurance Policy bearing policy number 441357041 bracketed 222-300-6561 bracket close. During the process of the death claim, the husband of the petitioner, namely Ranjan Kumar Soy, also died on 9/10/2022. After the death of the petitioner's husband, the legal heir certificate of the late Srimati Lakshmi Soy was applied for and also the same was issued by the revenue officer of Pallahada Tahsil. The petitioner being authorized by others approved the OP number 3 for sanction of the death claim of her mother-in-law, and as per letter from OP number 2, the present petitioner produced every document as per the requirement. Hala. He further submits that submitting the documents as required by the opposite party number 2 and 3, the opposite party 3 did not receive the did not take steps to pay the death claim amount of the petitioner's mother-in-law, that is late Lakshmi Soy. Moreover, the office of the opposite party number 3 called the petitioner over phone to submit succession certificate for the death claim of her mother-in-law. Though the petitioner submitted the legal heir certificate for the opposite party number 3 without settling the claim, time and again allowed the petitioner to run from pillar to post. In view of the above submission, this court directs the OP number 3 to settle the claim of the present petitioner on the receipt of all the required documents, on the satisfaction of the documents submitted, and settle the said claim. Full stop. And the said claims should be settled within a period of 1 month from today.
2 months कर दिया.
Why 2 months? 1 month. 1 month from today. Already both already. How they will.
Say theta line, my lord, this order may not be treated as a
This
precedent.
order may not be treated as a precedent in future. In cases coming to the court in future. With the peculiar facts and circumstances of the cases, this comma, this case may not be treated as a precedent.
Question of maintainability of the rate may be
All
kept.
these things, nothing is I'm writing. It's the 226 code has all power, can do that. It is can. I maintain करिए अपन तो देर जाता था ऐसे का कोर्ट जाके आसन था से सही से तो देवे कहीं इतने दौड़े हुए दस्तर तो जन को
Grateful.
पैसा देला लोग नेला तो आराम से हसी से नौ दस्तर फोन करके नौ चंदी आ देला लोग कहीं इतने कुंते होती
As per the document I have already submitted.
आउ धर गोटे सेट धरिक जाते ये माने वर्षा ने आउ धर मागी बाबू सेट आ गोटे फोटोकॉपी धरिक जाते original धरिक जाते
से पुन कभी successor certificate आना.
What I am considering.
No, all the documents submitted लिख दीजिए all the documents. Next
26.
My lord, in item 26, there are two matters. In the second matter, I have already received copy of writ application. But in the first matter, a submission was made that both matters are connected. Actually, both the matters, one was before your lordship, one was before Honorable Justice Biswanath Rath. Now, since last 2 months, they are not serving a copy of the writ petition. I am for the State Bank of India, my lord. The guarantees which they are invoking and the interim order is continuing. Very unfortunate.
My lord, aji copy दे दूची.
एबे सांग दियंतु
आज्ञा.
अच्छी एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी
गोटे कॉपी अछि मो xerox करी
ओ दे दियंतु आईडी दे दियंतु you are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner.
I am for State Bank of India, lordship. That noting is there.
सब एक कंपनी बंची छी ना मरि गली एक कंपनी
कंपनी अछि आज्ञा.
I am for opposite 1 and
ये for
opposite partner 1 and 2.
मानदी
I am for State Bank of India. my lord.
copy sir.
So State Bank ro jo tinta party.
All
I guess
you are not those you have not received. Hala. And cause the petitioner to sub copy of the writ petition to the unsubed parties, opposite parties. Hala.
Interim order may continue.
During the course of the day. Hala.
आज्ञा.
And the interim order continue. Next list the matter.
Highly obliged.
January re asu hai I have to send it to Calcutta.
Okay, let it come January.
Because
4th January. 4th January.
The first read
January.
yeah.
4th January.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
Next.
29.
29.
Allowed in item 29, I am for the respondent number 5.
5 of petitioner
He for the
petitioner. कौन केस था
Affidavit no.
Huh?
Instruction खाली pen थीला.
Instruction नहीं.
Your lordship has directed to file the counter. Why it has not come yet?
Well, I'll come to the state 2 weeks time to file the counter. Place the matter on 19th. 19th. Next.
My lord, I will also file the counter, my.
You file it.
Yes, my lord.
29?
Challah.
Or 30. 30. Achyutananda Patnaik kodagale. 9. 30th December. Next 31.
31. 31, I am for the bank.
Who is for the opposite party? Opposite party? Kaun issue kaun?
In the present writ petition, the award of the permanent Lok Adalat was challenged.
Who is you are who is for the petitioner?
I am for the petition.
Oh, sorry. You are for the opposite party. So what is the problem with the local authority order? How are you aggrieved, sir?
The Lok Adalat has no jurisdiction regarding this to pass an appropriate order.
What is the order passed by the local authority?
The Lok Adalat pass an order to the opposite party to pay 15 lakhs and direct the bank to return all the documents.
What case study? What happened?
The opposite party had availed loan.
Okay.
But the loan was at a NPA and the opposite party approached the bank.
Classified as NPA. So it was classified.
Classified as
right? Sad name. Classified.
Classified as NPA and the opposite party approached for settlement of the account and goes to various legal firm and lastly he approached the permanent Lok Adalat regarding.
So then what happened? NPA declared. Then what happened?
Sir, I have no power. Let my senior come.
Who is your senior?
NK Das.
Aji ଆସିପାରିବେ? ଆଜି ଆସିବେ ଆଜି ତ
ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଲେ ଆଜି ଆସିବେ ନହେଲେ
ଆଜି ତ reference ଅଛି
28.
29 ଲଗେଇଦେଲ.
The interim order will continue. Interim
order will continue at the same time, provided you read the file and come. If your senior is there, you will argue the matter.
Yes, I will argue.
Argue?
I have no power actually.
अरे power ମୁଁ ତ power ଦଉଛି ତମ power କଣ କହୁଛ? Power ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହୁଛ? କଣ କହିବା କଥା? I have no power. What is it?
It means I have not filed the wakalat number.
That's my name is not there in the wakalat number. Simply say, why is it power? What is this power? It खाली अम्मा High Court power word use नले कोड़ी power के use करने. First initially I was just shocked. What is power कौन कौन? It's not power of attorney भाई. It is wakalat nama file करते हैं power कोड आइला. Wakalat nama gives you the what authority. You can say authority. So that is a power. चेंज करिए नहीं सब धरके बसते ना कौन सब जहाँ चलते बा चिरा चिरते चलते चेंज करो तू yes okay list the matter on 30th Rash 30th next
32
Your Honor, item 32, I'm appearing in VC. Your Honor, due to some personal difficulties, my senior is not available.
Okay, you argue what is the issue?
So actually, I don't have the file.
Actually, you don't have the file. Actually, you should shut down your this thing. बंद करो ताको. जार file नहीं ताको मैं देखिए चाहूँ. Okay. So, list the matter on 13th December.
Lord, here, Miller, I am for the opposite party.
You are for the opposite party.
Bank, Miller. My name has not been reflected.
Okay.
Besides that, Miller, Lord, you kindly have a glance to the prayer, Miller. No relief.
नहीं से young junior तक होती है.
Then, Miller, in the
let it come some other day.
January, Miller.
11 January कहीं जीवो 11 का सु 11 आसु Young council, you should consider their request also. Okay, next. Next,
33.
33,
Your lordships, on behalf of learned counsel, Mr. R. Behra, I may be permitted to appear.
wherefore?
I'm for the petitioner, your lordship.
And for the opposite party. Perhaps. This matter is very small. Annexure 2 had there was a settlement done by them. Say the settlement colony, so we didn't accept the amount. We are ready for the settlement in that amount. So annexure 2 may be carried forward. That is all the prayer. Se 70,000 settlement କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ଆମେ ରାଜି ଅଛୁ ଯୋଉଟା ତାଙ୍କ wide annexure 2 ରେ ଅଛି. So case can be disposed of in that light.
Sorry, I didn't get. What is the
So
annexure?
they had approached for a settlement, your lordship. So settlement was granted.
Okay.
So that is wide annexure 2 of the rate petition, your lordship. So on the particular date, they didn't turn up to pay the amount. my
Okay,
lord.
like learned counsel for the petitioner request that. आपको लिखुची है ला बैंक वाला कहीं से
My lords, I've just helped him out.
Request that the settlement in terms of letter dated 23 September 2023 issued by the bank could not have been arrived at. Hence, the petitioner seeks for the settlement in terms of the letter issued by the bank on 23 September 2023 within
My lords, end of this month, because the draft is ready with
within 1 week,
my lords.
within
End of this
1
month,
week,
the
one
loan
month.
closes, your lordship.
By 30th.
30th.
By
Your
30th.
Lordship.
By 30th November 2023 according to disposal. Next.
Obliged lordship.
जल्दी लेट करो तापर आ चांस मिलिबनी से गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी हां 30th पळेला गला बैंक वाला मानी छथि सब कर दियो साइन पछे गड़बड़ गला पूरी गल चल फिर दौड़ कोर्ट नेक्स्ट
34.
May I please, your lordship, I am on VC. The matter regarding illegal concession of establishment of paneer factory close to the human habitation. Last occasion, lordship has directed that the on appearance will pass order on miscase for closure of that.
Which for
We are appearing for the factory now. We have got the consent to operate also. And
Which for
whatever
the
pollution
pollution
control,
control?
they have granted me the consent to operate, and after rectification of the defects they had pointed out. So as on date, the operation is with all the permissions and the
all compliances.
All compliances. So I'll file a reply to it if your lordship wants. Then can be heard.
Also, opposite party number 2 and 4 are necessary parties.
That's why I'm saying.
Appearing for the opinion number 4, my lord.
K.
Executive.
Municipality.
Yes, my lord. Municipality. I have already filed the power.
My lord,
But pollution control. Let them come, pollution control. Non appears for the pollution control board. Hence, copy देना थी. Complete is.
Notice, I think notice was issued.
Issued an AD not back. There is notice that AD not back.
I have also some copy.
Mr. Misra थांचे तो दे दो ना. Appear करने की कौन की Misra थाना उड़ गई.
Notice issue. Council is there.
SP Mahandi Judge, SP
SP Mahanti, they have a panel of lawyers.
Okay. Learn counsel for the petitioner to serve a copy of the writ petition to any of the panel lawyers representing State Pollution Control Board.
So I have already filed my
No,
lord.
SPC.
Okay. Okay. We'll copy the answer. List the matter on 7th December.
That's my place. That we
My
are
lord, in the
not
meantime-
available. So any day after 10th, subject to your
Any-
lordship. Any day.
14, 15, 15.
Any day.
15, 15.
My lord, in the meantime,
We'll file a
operation-
reply on behalf of OP number 5.
15.
my lord, in the meantime, the operation may be temporarily stacked down, otherwise the
Sir,
human.
Rohan तुम कितने ऑपरेशन?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ବହୁତ ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପଡୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍
କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ପଡୁନାହିଁ।
ସାର୍ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ବଞ୍ଚି ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସାର୍
ସାର୍ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ଯେ କୋର୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିୟର ହିସାବରେ ଯିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ଆପଣ
ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ଦେହ
ତ
ଖରାପ
ଅଛି
ହଉଛି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ମତେ ତ ଲାଗୁଛି
ଆପଣ
କିଛି ଟଙ୍କା ବେଶୀ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହଉଛି।
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଅଛି ଫୋନରେ ସାର୍ ଦେୟାର ଇଜ ଏ କ୍ଲିୟର ରିପୋର୍ଟ they are affecting the breathing system and others.
ଯେତିକି ଲୋକଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ନଥାଏ ଆପଣ ଏଥି ସେଠି ଅଧିକ ଆଲାର୍ମିଂ ୱେରେ କହନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୋର କଥା ନାହିଁ ସାର୍
ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ I have to balance the environment and at the same time also economic need of the people। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ବିଜନେସ କରୁଛି ତା ବିଜନେସ କୁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବେ ଆପଣ ବିଜନେସ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ ରେ ଗ୍ରୋ କେମିତି କରିବ? already
Sir, say, we are not prohibiting. But
that's why pollution control board asu se तापर कौन step ने तांगा से coordination करके निया हो ना अपन खाली तरबत कर दे बुझिबे
sir, सकज जे देले
किसी सकज नहीं अपन से आसंतु से देखिए
sir,
pollution
सकज
control वाला आसंतु हम डिस्कस करबे
आज्ञा
एते तरबर ले हेबो सर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हेबो ता वे रे हेबो ना हम पूरा अपन गोटे गोटे साइड सुनिबी अपन केते सत्य केते मिछ त मते मगर नहीं किछि लेंस नहीं ता म मगर लेंस नहीं ना देखिया पई तो व्हाट आई विल टेक द गॉस्पेल ऑफ ट्रूथ the other side to सुनिबी नहीं we are trained to hear both the sides not one side
3-4 रे तार रिपोर्ट अछि सर
ओ आसु देखिए let the pollution control board appear we will see
oblige
35
with regard to selection or appointment of Anganwadi worker. I have challenged the selection of the appointment of OP number 5 and 6 that they belong to the operational area. But the selection committee has found that the OP number 6 to whom I have challenged operational area. She belongs to. With that regard, I have filed an application to the collector to inquire and
so of the two candidates who was the highest scorer
again
dita bhitre ki higher score kar thila
mu highest सबुठ highest किंतु ऑपरेशन एरिया
आपण से एरिया नथली
मु से एरिया रे मु क्लेम करूची किंतु सिलेक्शन कमिटी करा नाही
आपण इनिशियली सिलेक्ट हेतिले
ना इलेक्शन
मूल रोहिनी
सेट बाय चैलेंज करी जे मोर हाईएस्ट मार्क अछि बिलोंग्स टू दैट ऑपरेशन एरिया बट मते न दे के तांको दिया है सर दिया ही चली
ये बिन वर्किंग सिंस व्हेन
since 2012
रो चले छंदी
13
no that is not the
you have filed the reply
yes sir
no only government has filed
how ke file करू
प्राइवेट पार्टी फाइल करना है
आपण प्राइवेट पार्टी ना
ना मु ये
petitioner
प्राइवेट ओपी नंबर 5 6
आपण
मु 6 पे मु 5 पे यो लॉर्डशिप में काइंडली से 2 अंगनवाड़ी
5 के
5 पे के
आपण फाइल करन सब फाइल करा पर आसु ना फाइल न करी तार के ना ये
मु 6 पे
हो 5 6 जेबी उत्तर तो कारण कास को
ना 5 पे मु केन रहे
ओपन इसको सब सात
मु आपण कहली जे करतबा से
भाई
कहली
मते भाई पचर
द पिटिशनर आपण कॉपी पाइछन त
कॉपी नहीं
कॉपी मते
ओके अब 5 पे की करछि
सर नोटिस तो जाइतला
notice जाइतला but return answer with a report that no such person found in the area Gopinathpur so correct address has to be given
ठीक है नहीं तो नहीं आगो
and whole problem is
correct
lordship में
address
काइंडली
learn concept of the petition submit that though notice has was sent to the OP number 5 but due to non-availability of the OP number 5 in this said address let the letter to return back it's a let the service to return back hence our original address is नहीं
and she's working she's working in an Anganwadi center so she must be there
through CDPO it can be
एक काम करो let it be solved through CDPO
my lord so it will
hence the petitioner is directed to sub a copy on OP number 5 through the CDPO Kanas district list the matter on 21st December देखो CDPO through काम करते तो मिल जाएगा
in the meantime OP6 may be directed to file the counter also
yeah in the meantime the
but I will adopt the I will adopt the counter of the state I will adopt the counter of the state definite
you can
my lord
not fine just my duty
36
36
counter
you have received the counter today
not received
counter is there have you received counter
21 तारीख तुम दे देबे
okay land counter the state is directed to serve the counter on the counsel of the petitioner 1 week time may be granted to the counsel of the petitioner to file the rejoinder list the matter on 13 13 तारीख December
2 weeks time
नाहंती आपण 13 ତାରିଖ 2 ସପ୍ତାହ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଆମେ 9 ହିସାବ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି 13 ତାରିଖ କେତେ ଦିନ ହଉଛି ଜାଣିପାରୁ ନା almost 2 weeks next
numberটা
କେତେ 36
Item 30. Item 37 and
There, my lord. I have already saw the copy counter. There, have written information.
କୋଉଟା
Item 40. ଯୋଉଟା ସେଦିନ ପରଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା କହୁଥିଲି ଯୋଉ 50,000 ତାକୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ଡେଥ୍ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଏଇଟା ତାକୁ 2,05,500 ଟଙ୍କା ତାର ଇଲିଜିବିଲିଟି ତାକୁ ଏ ଅଲରେଡି ଦେଇ
okay 43 sir
Mine.
current cause of the petitioner submit that the death compensation claimed by the present petitioner has already been paid and the writ petition is in practice. It's no cause for the elections or anymore.
37 item. One week time.
37.
I'm for the petitioner.
37 one week time. Who is for the collector Puri? Yes.
I'm
okay. Okay. 1 week time. 11th Ras.
May I please your lordship, item 42, my lord.
42.
After order consolidated writ petition, we have filed, but not properly page notila. What a time diyantu.
Okay. 6 1 week time 6 to page in it.
One, oblige, my lord.
Okay.
After launch, your lordship will sit single.
Yeah.
And there is a division bench.
Your division bench.
I beg your pardon, your lordship. Item number 42, I'm appearing for the opposite part number 2 and 3. Sir, is there operational?
He is just asking for time only.
Your lordship, I pray for 3 weeks time, my lord.
3 weeks time for filing
Counter filing by your lordship.
Okay, let it come on 22nd then.
Okay.
Oblige, my lord.
Pin number 2, 3, 6.
Item,
1 week time to file the count.
item
It's 3 weeks
46,
time to file.
item 46, your lordships. What has happened, the private opposite party instructed me that he will take time for filing counter. He is not in fact here. My lord.
I'll do that. Let 26, 46.
Interim order may be extended.
SSE and also an expenditure wholly and exclusively for the welfare of the employees of the SSE and thus allowable under section 37(1) as well as section 48 bracket 10 as business expenditure. Thus, the tribunal decided correctly and there is no reason to set aside the order of the tribunal. Accordingly, all the above stated ITAs are disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
If you have better.
Item number 2.
Order passed under section 254 of the Income Tax Act dated 7/2/2023, giving effect to the order of ITAT passed in ITA number 149 CTK / 2015 and the notice of demand under section 156 dated 7/2/2023 are hereby quashed and the petitioner be refunded an amount of rupees so and so, total amounting to 6,71,354. Accordingly, the writ petition disposed of.
I agree.
With respect to the aforesaid discussion, the action of the ITO Ward TDS Rourkela initiating proceeding under the section 201 of the IT Act for imposing interest for the assessment year 2016-17 on the petitioner is hereby quashed. Accordingly, the petition is allowed.
Obliged. My lord's kind permission, can
I agree.
have a glance judgment right now?
It will be uploaded, don't worry. Today, or maybe maximum tomorrow. Okay. The local daily
My lord.
and also English daily,
My lord.
both
Yes.
and the local and English daily.
I'll take instruction to that effect. I'll take instruction to that IA.
So take instruction,
My
will you
lord.
record?
My lord, it is-
आप लोग का इंस्ट्रक्शन आगे पड़ेगा से तो फाइल करिए अपन बंदे अरे
The
रिकॉर्ड
fresh, se कहते fresh advertisement ପାଇଁ କି IA ଟେ-
ओ अच्छा प्रेस सर्वे ओ आई एम either service I was thinking of service sorry sorry
They are trying to publish fresh advertisement.
you are for whom
And for the applicant, petitioner.
you are trying to man
I am not trying. Opposite parties are trying.
opposite party
Yes, sir. This is ongoing.
Oh.
fresh advertisement
Okay, let him take instruction
Try କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ମାନେ fresh advertisement
ଏ
ହେଇଛି
ଆ
ତ।
ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ମ ସବୁ କଣ ଲୋକ ସବୁ ହଁ
petitioner instructed.
ଯଦି advertisement ହବ ଇଏ କଣ
you can
cause of action arise with their own.
you take instruction
ମାନେ
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ନା state proper next
Your lordship is fixed 21st.
ହଁ 21st ନାଇଁ ଏତେ କଣ ଦରକାର ଖାଲି ଆପଣ instruction ଟା ନେବେ ଏତେ କଣ
Counter type file.
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ next next
44.
44
Maybe. Here, my lord, your direction was to produce the records, my lord.
you've got that account
My lord. And if your lordship will see the order dated 11/12/2021, 11 December 2021.
कौन मैटर टा कौन सा
Matter, my lord, here, my lord, I have challenged the order taking cognizance, my lord. That order taking cognizance dated 23/7/2021, my lord. Passed in 2BCC case number 3 of 2021, my lord. My lord, by the annexure 1, my lord, UD case was launched by the forester, my lord. One, my lord, forester Bambadi station, my lord, one Jatindra Kumar Sahu. That, my lord, while he was, my lord, he kindly come to my lord page 16, my lord. My lord, while he was doing my lord patrolling duty, my lord, he saw that my lord, one Proclean excavator, my lord, is uprooting the roots, my lord, from the forest.
Yes.
And my lord, basically, for the purpose of road construction, my lord. So, my lord, these on the basis of that, my lord, he gave the report, my lord, and UD case was instituted. Again, thereafter, my lord, they said UD case was converted to one 2BCC case number 3 of 2021 by the annexure 2. So, my lord, while inquiring in the matter, my lord, the persons, my lord, the driver and the other persons who were present there, my lord, they were apprehended and was Proclean was, my lord, seized. And on the basis of the statement, my lord, during interrogation, my lord, if your lordship will come to page 21.
What is the role, your role?
My lord, my role is that, my lord, on the basis of a statement given by the person,
the informant.
My lord, my lord, the accused persons, the driver and other persons who were present there, my lord. They were, my lord, they are saying that, my lord, the present petitioners, my lord, engage them for construction of the road, my lord. That is my role. My lord, my challenge here, my lord, I have challenged, my lord, if your lordship will see section 27, my lord. At last, my lord, the PR was filed, my lord, under section 27 2B and 3C. And my lord, my lord, section 85 of the Odisha Forest Act.
So it is sanction. Sanction is required.
No, my lord. Here, my lord, I am saying that section 85, my lord, the abatement parties. Because section 85, my lord, PR has not been filed, my lord, under section 85.
Sanctioned by the Deputy Commissioner of Forest. There is the sanction PR.
My lord, if your lordship wants, my lord, if your lordship will take this matter, my lord, on 20th, my lord, I will lordship, my lord, give a comprehensive, my lord, chart, my lord, so that, my lord, it will be easier on your lordship part, to dispose of them.
22, why?
So, 28, my lord, another matter is posting, that is why, my lord, I am praying for 20. Khali motte khali gote again note kari de dele 2 page na page.
30th.
Se record production ପାଇଁ କି ଆସୁ ନଥିଲା ତ, that is why, my lord.
ଠିକ ଅଛି. Next.
45.
45. 45.
I'm for the OP Millets.
What is the case about?
They have filed a criminal revision.
Hmm?
They have filed a criminal revision wherein they are challenging the amount of maintenance millets.
Who is the other side? None.
The last
You are for
occasion
the
also.
petitioner?
I'm for the opposite party.
Why petitioner is not there?
The last occasion
One
also. they
appears for the
didn't-
petitioner. Let another chance be given to the petitioner. None appears. Let a chance be given to the petitioner to appear in the matter. This is the matter on 7th. Next.
Published
Item
millets.
46.
46. Yeah.
Let's say I am 46, I am for the opposite party number 7.
Who is for the petitioner?
Well, in this case, I have to just 2 weeks time to file counter. Everything is ready, party has come. 2 weeks
Okay.
time to file counter.
Now
Last
come to
time.
the open number 7 request. State at file the counter.
My lord, we have already filed. They 1 to 6, they have filed counter.
Number
My party.
7, yes, 7.
File.
6, 1 week time to file the counter. List the matter on 7th.
Interim order may be extended.
Interim order to continue. Next.
47.
57.
Your Lordship, my senior Gautam Kumar Acharya is in Lakes at another court. Kindly pass over the matter for the.
I am
Pass
for
over adjournment. List the matter on.
I am for the opposite party too. For OP number 2, I am suffering, my lord. On last many occasions, they have taken time.
Why you have
see
taken
the-
time, sir?
On last many occasions, my lord, kindly see the order sheet, my lord.
Every time you will take time. That is not permitted.
Your Lordship, kindly.
Well, this is how.
Tuesday.
Obviously.
That is the matter relation to Tuesday. You tell your senior to be present. Otherwise, I'll pass order. You argue the matter, or whoever argues the matter, I don't bother.
Obviously.
But I want to pass order. Next.
48.
48. None appears. List the matter on January 11. 49.
49.
Oh, 20th lagutal. 20th.
I am for the OP, my lord.
OP thantu ଆଉ କଣ OP ହେଲା ପିଟିସନ ନାହିଁ ତ OP ହେଲେ କଣ ହବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଡଜନ କର
ତ urgent to 20th 19 December. Next.
49.
49. None appears. List the matter on January 18. 50.
My lord, on behalf of AP was kindly adjourn this one.
Why? You argue the matter. Can't you argue? No.
Prepare ହେଇନି, my lord.
Prepare ହେଇନି. Prepare ହେଇନି କାଲି Monday ରେ argue କରିବ? Tuesday ରେ?
କରିବି।
ହଉ Tuesday. You will argue. What is your name?
Saloni Mohanty.
Okay. You argue on Tuesday. Tuesday is the You prepare and argue, okay? Don't tell your senior to argue. I will not allow him to argue. Tell him. Next. $49 कौन है जी?
Non appearance. Add them.
18.
18.
18 non appearance का ना.
Oh, bless me.
18 असुविधा ना और का आनिबा.
नहीं, 8.
ठीक है जी.